statement. It had to do with elections. So let's do some quick analysis of his conduct relative to elections. Has he evinced some level of unprofessionalism when it comes to the policing of elections, to the best of your knowledge? Because you spoke within the context of the conduct of elections.
Honorable Chair, my concern was and is that as we speak, majority of police officers are not happy. And if these same people are those who are going to police the elections, and remember, police officers, they vote, their wives vote, their children vote, their mothers and fathers vote. That's my concern.
And so you were unhappy that with the posturate of this IGP, your party will lose elections. Is that correct? Per the statement made, yes. Our party, it's not correct. We lose elections. We're unhappy because IGP's posturing wouldn't kneel to the benefit of your party because it's quote and unquote just and fair.
Mr. Chairman, at that time we were talking about politics, and I was talking to a political figure.
Are you a politician?
Yes, of course, I am. There's nobody here who is not a politician.
I'll come back to the IGP. That leak tape. Now, all said the COP mensa Nani Abre Adeno Enibre Naba. Very, very serious Enibre. And this is how it is. But I don't pay young Santase story so. Mo mote Santase, mo area ho ina you must Obi anwe na so na ontie. Me say for bare last week about yes, and a residents was Santase fresh say. Maami bi no awache e was on the bus Santase station ho. Na wache na oton e fia ono an wo mu no na ntwie gum. Ensuo na ntwie nom na no ana maame no so sesa. Ye wie e na de ko kantaba no so ade no kwa no wa free assembly no mo makọ still ade no obi anka bi emboa no. And the Caesar akopie fie ho. Caesar, good morning.
Aduanaba, good morning.
Good. Video bi awode bae akoja man enti walk us through first. Video na ye hwe wo Facebook page no. Area be wa Santase na wuginen. Ye wia na fe wa mama ya enra ye ne di nkomoyi. Ono so abam. O ma ye picture wia na ye ne di nkobo. Nti first of all,
Aduanaba me dase. Na me so Udu wa John Shasabe na bo benches also be atu kura obi aiki.
Ewo Santase ana.
Ewo wa Johnson.
Okay.
Also be atu anopa me ba na nya Asante to Kofi be dia de wa ni etuo.
Ya da na se.
Obi anopa yi ma bedru Santase. Na me no ka se no Santase eye masalachi no. Zongo masalachi no me gina ho pe. Eye ma me a ono wa ti. I am a mirror, my two and a Casa and a Midina, the shop for her, but Bia or no one be on the top. That was videos are made a videos and the child, not less than 5 minutes drama. Simon Lum cry and my and a mere Kazanka I'm at the bar boardroom, someone said. That was and came beside him, Mr. Nipako fair reporters say. Yeah, and see para and and watch the and no man my many so can you bet me at Kofi no kwasam sen kamani be je ho. Na mo ma me na wo bo ni di say ono na bi ane ase na saa nneɛma ne kwaso no de Kofi babi a me gyina nyɛ sɛ radio adwuma yɛ ka bi ma na so de mi hunu no ɛnyɛ saa na teɛ
na ko santa wɔ yɛ santa se assembly mo fo je de yate sɛ no wa frim na
Kofi ba yo se metie obi ma o se
santa se assembly man ko santa ai enano ena week pepepe ono nso de to so kra sɛ wone KMA sanitation for ko stop ma me no ene ade ma still eguso na unfortunately enra ye nya ne ntia so ono nso afrim enti
no na ntia ya ten se ko santa no so afrim
mo enti meba ma memfa producer line no mo amwo santa se a last week mo frɛ ye na mo report sa issue na mo se maame bi ade ensu a nantwie wo fie ho mo ye nantwie wo fie ho nsu a nantwie no num bi no eno ano no sade ye wa akire me papacho number ne 0244 16 2051 abrante na only producer kasa he no fresi a na ya peke avgo video no ya kofie ho na producer no enso number eni 0244 16 2051 oba frɛ no wa confirm wa ma ye wo safi o sisi a na yenya details of that so ukoye no ensuo bi da order o ma ye nantwie wo fie order ma me that account
no Kofi me bedu ha say abra na no numa ba pa ho sima adi asennum fa ne say 535 na Kofi ma be gina ha ya hwe ahwe si na wo ha Kofi sa wo ba bia ma me no to odia na na chi pe eye pipe e wo ho pipe ye budie pipe de bucket sha no amanfo kwa be budi ko mu fie e wo ho sa pipe no ama ye ne tu o mo wo short one no more long one tu ba na sa o so ade na o de share long one na se no abi ana te be so na de short one na se eno aki no masalati ne asi on sani fa so pe masalati na penti ni green fe atai ho ma me no so ho no wa plaster ho ni na kama Kofi ebi e che gata da ba bi oton no animu no ma heda cha gata no mu dia ba boardroom Kofi Santa okoja ma
okay me ba gina so ma me izi Akoma FM ye no said the Ghana for no enyina de on radio ato ano pasa no e basa me important munti obi afrese o pese o kire ye ba bi ye be ma good morning be ma to Santasi nkomo aye bi no wo Santasi
me ba to
dey na ye reporters e wo fie na mo kan ye no ye hu bibia sa nkiremu be na mo de ma ye
okay no kwa ati me de dia Akoma FM but enye we dey minimum kakansa enye de wo masechi no ho na
okay we wo henfa de mo kan wo hen
insight kwai na obisi uro wo prejansi ho na we Sanyaba street a inside Sanyaba street aba be T junction so from container dancing okay we be T junction ne so ho na atin fe na twi ni fi ho ama me ya wa tinti ne da bi wo na
okay me ba Caesar
Kofi
me ba to say if you are mutie radio there enti enti the report enyan se ba bi awo no nya masarachi wo de no na mom udu a prejanse ho no a na usane wo nsuo mo na dan ho a e ho asem ne ye kan enya maame na owo masarachi ho na me ba to gina ho ma ye de maame ne nkasa ma
ya paso no to chenko kakra wa Akoma FM my mo achende ba Akoma FM
mami amene ne nkasa eno good morning
daddy
enra entia wote ye no ye bo wa mane ye san na wan na kire wo se ye bo wo area ni din
area ni din na ki ene go ene kai
okay no se san
wasi
ye tie o kasa
si dibako ye no kuri ye ntie na mtumi kuri ye ntie na ko fe me obo mi bi da bi amene ton no no nitako exere
na mpato mo na ntwie no mo ye no ofie o mo da fie o
na ntwie no ayi ni da bi nkuni ya se fancy
okay but se wo nsuo no onsesa na ntwie nsuo nsuo na ntwie no bi na wo de ya wache
na bi da bi da bi o ba bi na pipe wo
Okay. But baby I hear can a pray Johnson down where o consume no obi o from so ho or ye wacha na ntwe so afie ho uni mo bi sa okay e pato won kwa na aton wacha we area ho okay. So remember senior utie wa homa so pato okay the other guy is off the line, right? Hello? Right. So Caesar. Hello Caesar.
Aduanaba.
Mti mami we kache ni say ono no oton wache no wo henfa o de ba besi hin na on kire na on sign it no obi ahu say yakọ ho nye ono a
Mara ma jimpacho wote wachi no fa free hachi ya henfa na de position. O free ha ya akokoton no Asante. Tisa station wana. Ahon baby a o ton wachi no beti akotre am ya baby a o titi wachi na kana ba ko.
Okay, meba Caesar jina so mama na yes senior. Hello Bama, good morning.
Good morning.
Good. Specific into mami we no so munim no area ho Asante ase. Okay, nti we ni de anya wono na ne ho asema ba ye kan, right?
Da bit the nyama se anya de wo masrachi no ho na se anya de wo masrachi ba ko wo uduru udu apro kwa so san kakra bi na kwa bi da ho left mo gusua de si udu wa Asante new site no ahono du okwa mtiefo potentie bi wo ho se ye ho ne de a ani anantwi wo fie ho no na maame so ya wa ta owi an de ko but ye ho ne de adono ba masreti na kasa ho ne de awati wa bi so wo ho se ono ade ani adono.
Okay, enti sa maame amoken so e de ba Asante station ho. Okay. Okay. Ya na wase, but just a minute. Caesar. Hello Caesar.
Hello Kofi.
Me ba cho betima you follow up Akoma bi aye kan wasemi.
Kofi an ya be follow up Akoma bi a ya kan wasemi ne de ho no so details a ho nyina abatija. Ma
ya ne ma me bisane se asem no ye di nkomo no wie ye no ne wache ne ton no aba form manfo afre no wo magya idi ana
Ramaju when I say bisa wa sem ba ku mi if you say asem no mo tika fa ho no e ba ye no ama wade ton no e de makofom kaka no nkasa e kokom one day that we can say na ndenwa se ti to ya ba ti sa ko en na kan de ni denwa e na o zamba no one is in ti no na ma se no ama mi jan kokom so we say ama it ma me no I very very true but na ni pa agreement na wa say no omo nuru ko omo ko be tenana.
Okay, me pato udim Caesar anopay ye reporter ye frano ye ko Santa nyame adom wote ase obi afrem sisi ase ko Santa ne ne dodo no enti enye no kre ko Santa da so te ase enti mesramo ya manitrin kwa enti mesramo reporter na manfo de frey na Kofi ko Santa no pe me pacho ko Santa te ase nyame adom ne ho ye yese na pom ne dodo ne kakra enti mesramo amombo ko Santa uto no enye no kre so ko Santa te ase enti mesrewa Ghana for ne uto so yabeda wana wo inform ya ko Santa te ase bibia ko Santa nyame adom ne ho ye so me pacho ma me no onya na advert fama no onya advert baby oye na aduane
de ma na kan ho no de wa sama me kan sa so be abet sa uche bia ameno in fact so we mama no me tell no ka wetini kasa
ai ka cho say onya advert hemfa na aduane ne wo se sia bibia ye kama
de be se bisa mama se sia ahena ẹ̀yin náà ó tọ́ ọdún àná ní ọ̀pọ̀tọ̀ yàtọ̀ ìhùn bàbí àtọ́ ọdún àná ní káàmà ọdún tó fi họ ẹni bàbí àwọn sábẹ́ òbí tóbi àtà òbẹ́wù sẹ́ ó di àṣẹ ní ẹni wọn ni wọ́n ti yàgbà wà bẹ̀ tóbi. ṣé ṣéèkì dẹ̀ náà mi wọ̀ họ sáwọ́ santabi station wa mìíní ni ramamani ramatu ọbí abájọ ọbẹ yàtọ̀ ìtẹ́kùnlá àìsùn marakuta. Thank you. Ìtẹ́kùnlá àìsùn marakuta. Thank you. Kofi Kofi edi maame no ne baby auto na bia ne signboard na na odi atuja no Kofi edi e baba na ni akọ baby a almost so na ni akọfese sa na hospital ya the whole report baba.
Okay, so anopay maame a baraku enidire yesai
mamina mu de
ramatu ti haji ramatu onu awache no enkomo na eba ne nya ono ne hwa nti that is what nti obi abetima di ramatu haji ramatu wache arope ya ma green light no
wache pa dia
haji ramatu right okay Caesar kacha ramatu se on prepare wache no kama mra mo na ye ni hwese bibia da na kwa mu a wate haji ramatu prepare wache na me manu ni wo na tamfo anim why monto o mo pon na tamfo anim nti na eno ano no be ba ho ye da say so move come bia ye kan ho asem no na you understanding okay but my inside NC studio ebiem say wana na offer say ye Ko Santa wefri batok na hona dodo no nemum Ko Santa eda so etiase ya kwaso bompa ye mano last week ne ni di nkomo so I was surprised say all that report enti mamcho Ko Santa da so tiase na ho den kama right yanko akoniasa ho whilst we wait for Caesar so we call the other side of this story but therefore my infant to just say last week mempotemu obi frey and we told them say ye be follow up na owura ne ka so Kofi mo bakra me ameso mo nsa de mako Ko Santa confirm ma ye said that was the situation wone assembly ne kura akọ hwe na nso still adia ne da so a ekoso that was what Ko Santa ene ye kan ye then ye follow up and ene yakọ confirm say baby a manfo de wanani akire no enye saa na etie eninti okay obi nso say Kofi minim baby a new area no eka no o say you can come okay Fred gentleman we ono nso say Andres Frimpong Michael oso ono ebetimi akire the new place ye ka ho asem no ahaya Akoma 87.9 FM we am important and pay offer any you tell us the problem na yen ya solution e the amount na solution no ewo the government appointees the MMDCs the MPs and that here bisa wo say saying na constituents e the aba what is the problem one of our MCs the Debia he's always available and he will tell us the situation ora konuasa askwa MC enra and residents at the buyer said Asqua interchange Yiswa Kosi and Raga Junction edu anadwa traffic light light no street light enye juma akoni asaye MC honorable my mo channel pay 87.9 bibi aboko there good and a reporter ban say Asqua interchange Yiswa Kosi and Raga Junction anajo street light enye juma we are aware
no friend na this menya when this is so true in kimi kasa na mo fa na de ka kan de ti an friend ti se we be begin na me ha me for
no cre
me ko ya me ko ni private doctor
okay
ya be friend na dem fa we be ka se o ya friend no wo be se o be fa ya se na no ti na me for
no cre
na ko wo se yamba minim assembly minim kania no so we ti na lipa ko ka ya nyenge na so se afini enye ni kwesa afini Akoma, the electrician, and Mama Tiasin say, and I'm Asante na say, conductor, na a bathroom, say, friend, I'm okay. And it's a permanent menu. And within the menu, and not a money for be a faculty is work of check. Table, conductor, and free.
Wow.
Yes. And maybe what in bar, and she assembly women, young and Yamanema, if I say the name, and to be a mission. And then the Bona General Cinema, the Chima, Moses, but the young woman. Saying I'm making the
I see. For now, the problem is that we are main cable at that form of power in the muno.
Exactly. That is the point from my nutrition.
Hey. So, what is the security measures I hear say at the Batuana? Here we are almost a maybe.
What shall we say? Conductor, they were copper, and then wore aluminum. Now, say copper, and then down. I don't know. One way, and maybe condemn. Or say aluminum repair. Aluminum idea. Or repair. It is a nubina, it be useful. It be useful. And I could read. And that's Ghana 40 months for Kankas for said. To that, you can move, baby. It was a baby question. But to be unfound, to be unfound, one said, don't you go and you be a packet. I will be a naka. It can be a severe
I say, what be a radio set to be so on? Do no my any or clear because I say, it couldn't do so. Mammy. Yeah.
Mr. Mammy said, then I fall. The security, I said, there is a security, a very now. Mr. said, so who can be a security to me? A beer, not to be a baby, no, said, Kofi baby. Now, suspiciously, only a baby, but young found because look at this major rules. Now, if I'm going to put in a packet car or so, motors again or so, cable, idea we can move, but nobody cares. That means, who ready? He said, no, my one year, then you say the vehicle, said, you say, and normal, young portal. And my police for now, because to that, I said, nobody bring fire. The team had you attacks.
Yeah. So, by Yansha Sadi, on your side, minimum, sir, is a challenge. I mean, Dumwa, slaps a goo, gutters, listening, sir. Kofi assassinating, these are very serious things. But notwithstanding, no, we also install solar. I mean, we want to do something. We also always can we think ahead of criminals here. This what can we do? Because the say, we are they will continue to steal. Akron will continue to be among us. So, dear, you better to prevent it.
They will continue to steal, that is true. But what is also true is that, yes, Asqua, you buy no. Thank you, yes, so that. But the initial customer, not intimate, the boy did papa. Inti, intimate, the old the solar. The kind of ones are very expensive. Just much as the we need that capital now, initial capital now,
Okay, Jinasumami, I have a resident, Awafra, want to make a comment. Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Kofi.
Nyamiadom, also, who will comment on this and come away when we didn't be
no, but I feel like Kekus. You are on new road.
Okay.
Now, I can't be fast street light when you say, a free as Quabisi and Rajan, no. Street lights are much room and son. And what the as for the Betim war. And I what the Angadia so Betim, and a free Angajane Jansen so called Angajansen Sonozono, and also Hong Kong. Now, the old came as Squire MC, you know, one share Jumano, but on one day, not Angadian Swaka. Into that you know, Angani Asquana shed them into street lights and moon side, but Angadan, detail when in them. A dear on the street of Modiso. Aha, Kakana Bessan declare, into Papa MC will you need the announce for assembly so. No, most of you are more than I know. Angadian no machine on Modisono. In Fancy, Namima Passam Maho, and then I can't watch him now. I can't watch a match and say, a switching on Modisono, almost actually, nah, me boarding, council anywhere. Until a man idea we know.
Wow. And ascribe the any caboose a year, and Ofurkrum so air Swisha, I say.
Sir, I want to see the same Rajan Kofi Asquano, I want to see me and Sunny Nansombo. A dear one in Messi so, and I can never be also one idea, or also. Ha, and you know, Sana, a Jumano, a tear. I can't be clear, no.
Okay, so, I'm gonna say, who would you could see him from?
Maybe I could see the last filling station on your right side that Woko Amagano, bridge below, bridge to a Bihona, a new Measure Boshi. And see, the Hona maybe I could see. And he said, "Oh, yes, because as quite very may technician, my actually said, anyhow, the new of Rukundi, but the day, copy, I'm more than
okay. So basically the entire stretch is now air off as a result of technical problems.
I don't know about the entire stretch. I know, sir, the electrician say, yes, I know. So,
yeah, why idea when you bet me a raise fund na ya hojuma.
Kofi, the question is an American say, once saying hojuma, and I'm saying, sir, and then so the more ya the Parakaina, and my opinion. But we have no humanity and the fair release can nearly a photo. I'm okay with the lender. Maybe a photo. Leticians which is maybe obey representative component so much is added the floor.
Okay. Mama now I say Akwanyasa Jima the MC Adema Asqua, and that is update our day MI into traffic light Anlaga stretch that is Anlaga Junction to Asqua interchange. That is the problem. JB from Santasi to Anlaga stretch.
Kofi say a for traffic lights a for
and that way is street lights.
Street lights.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now the street lights there. MP should be able to provide street lights at the moment.
No, I think that light nankasa need problem, but cables now
I won't na
and is he I don't know.
Yeah, we scrap the list for now.
Scrap the list for now.
Was I was me makoko to be ahomache. Maybe Jumat overhead yesterday. Now boys need to try we ni bi. Omu twitwa sa barricade no e wo ho no ni.
Ana fa ka mo no.
Go fi na de o si de carbon. O si de. Me ne na Victor so kra na manwumre. E me yesa so hia obi. Si ya ye call for na no dwane ye.
No, but
it's
so bad.
Too much.
It's so bad.
Scrap the lesson.
It's so bad. I mean, this people,
Dodo na so nye Ghana fo. Dodo na 90% nye Ghana fo. Omo ne nam kwa ho na condemn for no. Me ka ne kromu nya kwa.
Yakubu Tony Edu. Who is scrap dealer? Yakubu kachira won kofo no. Sa na ma na amoye no. Bebre enye o.
Ofi say nso ekuta weight. Aha ntini weight no kakra bi abenye ska bebre. And that is exactly what adwuma mo ya no. Omo say wade da ho na ekuta weight kakra.
That is a word dum nyina o masa na de da so nyina.
O say ye de na de anim ha no mokra no. Omo start twitwa ne maako.
Oh ha no ma betu ba.
Oh yeah, no mo be twa ba ko de fi. Omo hwe obi ani wodo mo twa ba.
Na video bi a me hwe ye. I think boys ni be gina ho. I always think I menya sa video no. On be gina ho no mo hwa obi ama bo ze. E na boys omo tam offer say ade no na pa omo de koye.
Sa no motie.
And these are serious things that I think say as for mine we all have to watch things out. Deal with this boys.
One of my concerns and say edrawia visibility very good ekrum ha.
Yeah.
Edrawia visibility the worst of it all. Especially knowing say Enkania street lights issue pa wo man mu ha na say you kuma say adamu say no. You pay attention to our visibility that is the security visibility. You pay attention to it to cry. Na barrier unya du no ma toto chi ne hwe wani mu a opekakraje wo amani bi osokokokoko o mani bi ana wotwam. I mean what is this?
Me pesa video no boys ni kugina ho. Wo hwa obi ama na omo koto ye na chese.
O be start atwitwa.
Obi enuta obi fie anim o. Nipa ni CCTV camera kwa na itimi e capture wo mo.
Obi say me enye me wanwa because me hu kofo be mienu miensa. Omo engage.
O ba me de me hu sa America bebo.
No Kofi, I mean, yes so a wa bizu.
Oh, that.
Wa bizu
that so a crime for. You are preventing of anything. Crime.
Hey, sir.
Yes, you are defending yourself.
Hey, that's the way yourself defend.
Crime.
That's a pete your mama yakoko.
That be any way you can arrest that armed robber, a criminal. What so the bomb for no be. You just have to disarm the person. Na yetimi ababechino because very very bad.
Oh no,
why would you go and steal adia? I mean, who drink one
I don't know.
People are criminal.
And omo ye na yumre susu. Omo ye na yumre.
Anajo.
Yes,
yumre keke. Anajo too. No money name.
And Asante.
Yes.
I was monitoring. Na Kofi Santasi na kasa na Kofi issues wo ho. Issues wo ho. Kofi issues wo ho pa. Oh yeah. One Santa's environment na nkasa no Kofi ukohwe ba bia mo ye nnuane ni bi na
enye ba no pe haja ramatu watitim
Kofi enye haja ramatu asemo most of them mo no nnuane
about 80% Santa's pro kroma no
80% of
them no nnuane so no nyame kwa na dum ye ni o
ebi wo kra ye no an wo gata so gata ni na jani ni. About 80% of them.
Okay. One of our Facebook followers, Andres from Paul Michael, I say area na Edrian no and he's giving us a bit. Yes. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Me patrol. What's so bad boy? Information was Santasi. Maybe I can't have some nentwie. No musia ni pass Saturday Edrian no.
I'm going to see without the chat material. Oh, you look at that my small candy. And if you mean that, the fact of the who say the change is going to be counter back. But you are not watching the Adam and Chin, in line with you if you hold.
Okay. Our area here for party.
If I saw Adam, if I say, we do sometimes it's not fair to find out. On some left hand, it's a little quite the big copy, almost the same time.
Okay. Into area ho na nantwie ene ewo fie ho no
if I show and wadaluma we say na ho na ya bobo like one kata dey nantwie no ma ye ni nya na dey ache.
Oh, okay. Then we will have to your reporter call honti be ma o ye ko wa de bisi bia no will update ye list.
If I show Mati be dem ta call person there that wa change there one wa che ye no na bia to call abirita.
Oh, okay, intend ye wa che garment pa.
No to wa che to ba go fele.
Mate, yeah, that's it. Right. So
yes, why ready?
Oforukrum.
Yes, okay. Why ready?
producer Mongete of Chrome MC na you find out on also the stretch of area here Campacho 0243114497 0243114497 na also another pay umpotemu and Dr. Amwakoba Bebefia Sanso na yene majority leader and Minister for Parliamentary Affairs and so ebedin komo. You're very, very busy week. And today, if you are there, a lot. Okay. 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 Quick one. Yes, me pacho. Why na menene kase? Yes, sir. Okay, once was Santase.
Aye. Yeah, mami ya mo kan wanse mo wache. Me menene ma de school. Ewo rules of show. Ma Kofi ho akudidida. Baby I hear no Kofi what say will be ton muni die wo e was Santase new side.
Okay.
That muni die wo stretch na say the last junction e ho na efie ni wo.
Okay, nti de ye kan ya na ntwe ofio a the same nsu a na ntwe no no mo sai no. Awo ye muni.
Kofi enti sa say nsu a na ntwe no ma no na mo sama edi aduane no.
Okay.
American ma Kofi ho akudidida.
Oh, I see.
But on say we assume say one wo fie ho de.
Okay.
Nsuo na omode aduane no ana mo ano enum but entisa
but yene assembly member a week today yenu ko Santa no pay na manfo kra ka say ne ho dodo no afrem no pay nyame adom report ne say ne ho ye ono so ka say woni KM assembly no kra akọ a wo mo akọ man that one no
on say ideally no in such an environment obi abe presume say na ekoso ho
okay
and fine so mo ka say ABS enuntina omo prevent say ABS na on fa aduane mu bi dia fine but really frankly me dia aduane bi da makofie ho sala times omo invite e ma e bi
okay
to say nsu a mo ane nom no
and wo masa
omo de sadwane ana in time past no area no wasn't in place and well developed
okay okay
a promoting ma omo timi yen omo na nsu but on say as time goes on now if you ever around urbanization happen no people would have concern with the fact that Nantrie area live. I think that it's part of animal we also
okay. Okay. Me da say ma yanko MC for Ofurukrom concerns about street light. Akoni asa ba be yi na no. Ofurukrom MC these two men afi mebo mabaso. Menua entry ma mema wa chembiem ema wa kwa ba anopa bia me no wa di showing and ohun ye de good concern say free and laga junction kusi askwa interchange ni say street lighter e wo ni nyina anya adwuma ma fra kwani asama na kire mu say ne de ne part de o ya we say nya adwuma fi say akronfo atwa cable a eda asia light ne famu no nti omugu so a AP sky ye se wo ho nso street light ne nya adwuma be pacho wo betima confirm wa mayen
no kre me reason nso ye ne dia na bi
hey
ne dia na bi why it's not a connection aya na o makotwe fi this year ya no baako but last year ye nya similar problem and na ye resolve it this year Enra, I am told that assigns were doomed, and the causes almost according to why it's not done.
Wow. So how do we prevent it? How do we you better prevent it or much film near the adi?
Exactly. I agree with you. To me, we can't continue doing the same thing and expect different results. Just yes, because the way I go grammar no makotchen. It means that I was here crying for Frobia. Better resolve one. And for farmer beam, probably we should be thinking of a solar near didn't say a long term something. And near what kind of we need to get the technical people near and share how we can resolve it as early as possible. But that is the problem. I come for construction cables most of them and so that was our area no.
Do you have idea that you bet me enya light or a sharp stretch so?
No question say enra nyumre and then they brought it to my attention. Anopeya Midu office, I am calling the work engineer and then the technical people, no, and then we have to go to site and look at how feasible we can deal with the issue. Probably a bit was here near Squafo and Sokabomi, because the same line now, and a fire wire connected to Asokanti, which knows that one more train at the end, not much on Monso Diano. Probably we may have to come together and find ways of resolving that problem. But I'm not pay no, as soon as I'm in the office, I will get my technical team. I am sure Ochana now Monday, if you call back, we may get something good to report on.
Minia commentary, Mamena was say, for being very proactive for some of these things. I'm grateful for time when you're Observe we MC the ma of Rukrum Ghana for when you are looking for leader, these are some of the leaders you need to look for. They are there. And some they were ever ready. Na waba ni abe chim oba yemo radio no Kofi Asante memo. You explain to us. Nothing memo for na yedi secretary awka sorry anopa okota office no. Ni who said this is the situation. And it's a very, 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 very good move. Debbie.
But Kofi, and you used to for you, man.
Dabi.
Sir. Jomoya, when never you used to for
No, sir, assembly no technical engineer. Like
but some because only used to for the baby.
No.
Sir.
These are street lights they can easily fix. When they need to get ECG, they can easily get them.
Well, because
we didn't say Yatikruman, yes, you street light.
Yes, you
observe, you many abrene say,
ECG for Anambwa.
Yes, street light now.
Why should assembly be
street light now? O onamuno. Utia o fa obi a wakwakoto light bia no. Cheso bill na was the street light na si wani mon utia.
Yes.
So when people are street light in Yajuma, a senior police officer bako I send the message every tepa say Kofi.
Okay.
Entire street light do what tepa krom nyina anya adwuma.
Now Kofi is so
much. Ebasa it poses threat for security.
Of course.
Comfort me a year one the ope.
Kofi ye na say ya na regional security regional coordinating director regional coordinating council honomo. Na nim honomo a ye na say ya no mo start some the light bobo honomo. Na say ya honomo ina sumsa edro yumra sumsa. I don't know, but omo charge levies omo de call nkrasi at the light call honomo ina. I go how many times we say omo de light call nkrasi. They don't do it. Omo kwa omo di eska. Some of the rural electrification projects. But they do timer some kwa extended light and they call those places now. No matter kwa bosia e dia babe. What is the point? What is the issue? Ye street lights levy na sifo ina. But street light is say yeah. Just you would have to call on people. You have to call on the government to come and do it. Are they? I mean, why you say yesika yesika gusa akwa. Yesika gusa akwa. It is not helpful. At the end of the day, bibia ye bia Ghana ha omo ye bia ko fi etua ho ka. Na edu time say ye pesika na ye de ya. Na ya sakwa ko bobosia. The sika na etua na hefa na eko. Exactly what we do. What do you do with sika na ye de ye no? I mean edu time bia mo Ghana for bread do, mo Ghana for kasado do. Na afia akwa ye nsem bebre. That is not what we bargain for. We bargain for a good leadership, good governance, and all bibia ka ho bia. But Akoma say, street lights I say, cables akrofo ba bewia. Fine, noted. Now you hear street lights on be fix here. Just say assembly now say just say kopel bosia no mba be here. Abra you fear say sika no. But
JB yenhwa dey we. I think Akwani Hassan was emphasizing on something say. Ghana for so yenhwa ha. Ene ye pem fa me ho dodo.
Kofi.
JB, we are all our brothers keepers. Yeah? You were irresponsible for a krum ha. Adia wo mo ye kru no. Ebo man.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I mean, obi who so obi ya adia kra. No agya no ho. Onfa ho.
And no kra.
Are you saying say akronfo etwitwa street light cables near that nyine? Etoda ye hunu binum.
Na beyond class be hu mo kra no. Say
We know some of them.
Yes, we know some of them.
I mean, too bad. And I did answer and say, oh my Ghana, no. I mean, we are all corrupt. Majority of Ghanaians do not have the country at heart. Now, light now. I mean, these people are mamboya for. Too bad. I tell you one potemu unso betimi afre 0243 114497 0243 114497. Most of the street light street light krum hanyejuma. Traffic light enyejuma. Enti chese kura yetimu street light enyejuma. Traffic light nso enyejuma.
Edom bedum kane so traffic light bi enyejuma okrum.
Aye.
Why?
How?
Hey,
KNUST.
Boy.
Eye wo traffic light. Traffic light bebre ho ayekoto ho niam free India.
Kofi na mo no wo so faso ne say. Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. These are the kind of things they should be doing.
Na say o man na nko mo ho a.
Kumasi Technical University. This is the kind of things they should be doing.
Jebi, o mo ntimi for musical mama yensi.
Kofi no.
Assembly no will have to fall on them.
Kofi metias here.
Liaise with them.
Yes, sample. Come and tell us.
Traffic light na see. KNUST.
Yes.
And
America why the first one? Who say
so the government should go there and pick it. So we have to blame the government.
That I agree with you 100%. I agree with you 100%.
Traffic light na see ho no.
Say solar. That one I may know you agree 100%.
So the government emery obi contract kakra ntobo obenya die no. Onko KNUST obekọ India. No akwa enti part ne say agese ekọ India ne akwa fa traffic light e dia ba 0243 114497
Anything Cameroon president changes of military no
Rwanda so assistant 64 senior officers 12 senior officers and 1013 obi abe ne de mo ye kura ye betumo. Good morning.
Kofi.
Yes sir.
Tired new.
Okay.
Kofi, me tell make a free so about last stop. We've got gas one. Yako hono. Who say in kola fa ko kumaka training school ho. Kumaka ho na mo fa. Na nsuo ni say work MC ni uta me ko twa bi do me kire wana. Ahori now we can't be fa kola so ho na mo na mo. Ndo ase kola no ko school ba ko theater no wi ko nyina sai. Na ka wo say MC ni da bi ene me ko twa de be kire. Ya ka hono enkola no nyina enam ko school also who boy am I bridge no after the one side work ra o fa ori go here on go fi one for oni ko here o fu ni so about last of o ko bi am feeling gas now we say bridge no o so yire ma onkola no fi ko school bi o say abi air can on ena o ka si na mo twa kebu no na go fi light ni mu say the power ma uti mi twa o se power ma kebu uti mi twa akofo de ni car I go try way when you am a car no say go condemn o think of the omujuma go fi da wa say
okay yeah 0243 114497 na onso wa frɛ 0243 114497 good morning me pa cho hwani
me pa cho na ba na ekase
o frɛfrɛ
afanto him
maminti
Kofi efi afanto ba intribu ho udi rahimai be popi ho no mo ese enso to kwa aka ti me mfompo krobo ho no mo afanto krobo ho no mo ye bridge bi ya ne aka ti ye kwan no kaka kwan ni ye kwa ko intribu ho street light dia su ni kwan no ofi himai soja for de ho ko intribu ho edura nwumra ye chewo akonfo ni gu no madu ho no pe no oma so mu
himai ko si he
himai ko si intribu ho
okay
aha e ho no mo edu ho nwumra wa hwe pe boy ne be second be wo sisi e fi himai e kwa chance bridge bi ebu kan ntimi nkọ kan ntimi bridge sie bi Kofi Asante now obia enti fi himai ko tribu ho e kwa chance e bre wa hapa enti mwana ko bani aka
okay me da say good morning
Dagovi
Hamza
Bache se shubo ko yeboko
Mamintio.
Na edio. But you say where mame found free airport runabout. Be drew some runabout.
Okay.
Now we feel some runabout so be drew. We didn't find the full line. Oh, na jo. Don't me ni so afa na jo pay.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Airport runabout to
so full line.
The first one runabout. What nyina ye sumo.
Nyina ye sum kabisi.
Na say e horo kwa de kemi ana meboa.
Say airport runabout what I be see so runabout de kemi. What did you say? That is runabout to the kemi. Na ufri ahona ekọ swami inside na ye swami nti ufri ayi so a sabra about to the through ayi so a ni na so ye kemi e be through so full line so ye kemi na ayi tun kapisi na wuram fa braman kwan so oh my god esum na me say me jiro sa me piase say ye wo MPs ye wo MMDCs ye wo DCs ukoma na mu krono de so mu sa krono ufa komati metro krono che ye wura sampansa ufa so me bo no breman nya dade na e hye ye wura cheme sa botune maso fosu bwakinsa ya kroma ye poto after ye sumka bisi mi se 4 6 7 8
bazo swame area he breman na e sum no
I who please some about that could do I macro junction. A soup cabisi.
So I'm a runabout to macro junction, you know, or you soon.
A soup cabisi, Kofi, Wakosi, Cronoma Franco, cabisi. The photo of the Como with metal brain. Now with the baby. It's in Israel, you were Chinese Abusu. Almost swami, who here no. Almost swami, and none of Kuma so, no, we say. Tebia on for one Aduana so Mahana Dua. One day what that Kroba Kumasia, what one for some Yamiano, one fun in person so Nana Joe, no we say, what would you see like the castle? Oh, because who can see Yana Yakompo? Mammy tell you that lawyer Don Daffin, Swami, Mammy Chenapa. Okay, why Yama Swami Fono? Ya utuza Swami Dana Kuma so
Man Maxwell Beckasa, the MC. Good morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
Yes, sir. When
the friend of Mark, we don't have to be smooth taxi driver.
Okay, my mentio.
Kofi, my mini come more for you, DC, no, Abaso.
Oh, a very good guy. Yeah.
Third day, the student a bank, you know, the password Jumana oil, when you also oil. I'm a master assembly man, so also for bank. On a bunico, the morning, Baba. Make come out some soon. Kofi, Pacho, take a more president will be sana say it's a free TUC junction ho eba taada kujum minute oil honum it is a coin no say ye yempo ni nyanye then say ofa friends anyaka ta yi bi ye lupa kwa de besele ho no kakra mayen ya enye ya na
TUC junction de me ama e ma adwen say this am ekwa akoto anua na Kofi Asante me ama kwa akofele because already obi anya ready so be
because they come in what juma or buy ya why you in what juma they buy the atong e kala tiba ko black and white serious because na ke ni see change am se ka ba be ya dey but when you buy onye fi okay kind of na the oil there o ma ba mkura be na one.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Kofi. Nana Kofi Ampon saying you Sokobai.
Yeah, when you
Kofi Asante.
Yes, I'm meet you.
Never show with you. Madisra me bisa wa no pay me say. But your Sokobai crew inside. Kwan kakra na aka no me pacho we do other room dia na wati afa ho aban so wanyama yibi mu ana say ya yenye ya de oh Kofi somehow e kwan kakra kai traffic pan soliano pass e be yo betima kwa adwuma ya asem we dey esre na mo may improve my na yenso ye kwa adwuma ya on say kakra e na made say dia me say They say, I'm not passport to renew. I can say, will be afraid I'll be a passport to cry what I've used. Ghana, I am a deal for you.
87.9 Kumasi.
Could be my master.
But that's it. Okay. Good morning. When are you?
Good morning.
Yeah.
The premier of I am Kasofi Obuafa.
Okay.
The Damascene Obuafa Moye. The Pacho, a free Obuafa barrier, Eba Obuafa office. Ghana for Katani a pet, and I illuminate 3 and I say, I've been born in a year. A corner buying a book I know. Put the pavement in our motion. Where does he do or manage to watermelon at one more plan over the big afternoon? Why does he look to find a banner your year? What do you block office? Where the pavement in the financial? Just one to a quantity of double road, also 50 past. We are not a car. It was a Ghana for any sign. Pavement, where does the Sunom, I don't want to get a big and only get a casino almost saying, only I know what plan I did in the quantity near you. What do you block a berry a call block office? Yeah, I want to have it, Madam.
I will do that. Thank you. Yeah, my father next caller. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Why am I not say?
But your family now said,
okay, Mammy Tio.
In fact, of a Kofi Boa Basso Power, the Bapa would be Boa Ghana mine. That was super. Remember the problem a Guapa Zungu. And Kofi and Chili were Guapa Zungu Swan. Now over to 3 Nanchini Binina. If you know some bear, Guapa Bola, nobody mentioned Binina about the Gubola, no, just say, when you have me cry, no, me can. You're dying to midnight. To best Serawa Sanka with the Uber, the time was a Uber, a sorry or a black or the Ayab for the Brabeshe. A man here who Yaman to talk that boy with a Serawa.
For how long a program you have?
87.9 Kumasi.
So the woman starting at why be you a black and Basalachina or a sort of then Pia wouldn't introduce the Baby, yeah, can't see. So, over to Kofa, boy, I know what the shin and to dinner, and let the home the should be gone. Can. So,
how many days are you bringing here?
Suddenly, just a got a bit double. I know. So, Tommy to be any bad one, be sheer got any just a boy at the chance of being got an intent now. A black person go a cloning film. So,
now, my report to the assembly. One report to the environmental department of the assembly.
Okay, and
yeah, carrier. Is it you need to go to carrier? Now, one report to Emma the I think sanitary inspectors. No, about take you on this thing. I know said they will work on it. Why?
Okay, thank you.
When you're right, episode 0243 114497. Evans, I think so. I need to get these things right. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, when
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi.
Unisa awamera ho papa yambatamna udro ay high school da jansia masla esla ho bla e kwana seye estra wotime ye kwan me roda wie mako ya chire ma ya nchanja akal bifo kano ofa misra ko fi Asante wadie wan kasa na bra na so
ho kakra ne de se aka se MC se ade no is kasam
opa is kasam enjono suppose be so won ba jini pe omuja Africa yenya tie akwani nya no ho kakra na kano ube is kasam suppose be so no kwaju pe oh yes man wo no omunyu obi aho yes sir oyini aho MC ijado kan kura na nyama mibufu ankasa yeni ya tuwa mama no ba mo nyini ya sia ho ya fra ukwede kwana ya sra kwana ya bra ukura na ho woni pakura so unantia ayi that's not 40 unani mi ni yantimi so pe ba ko so ba ko form ya fra Omo yimoye, yesu etuma yesu abrebi. Adai.
Akoma
Over.
87.9
Oh my God. Enra. Yeah, good morning. Okay. FC Kasa. Good morning. Yes, good morning.
Morning, good morning.
When you?
I am from Joe, because I fish taxi station sometimes.
Mamin you.
Dog, we are not that's the Amazon, Mikro Mukano, Okan was them dominant.
Yes.
That's why I don't have it in your boy. Now, I find Brown, so a quite, oh my, a kind could see a municipal honor. Find Sebra. No, oh my, China tour. And I do say also they call at a smash also my and a block of this and you say to a footlopa and say, what a wow, what damn, you know, best stand near my own. It's your trauma, Katana can on my and I also toy.
May I say, good morning, Winnie.
Good morning,
why am I not say?
And that's
okay, Mamin you.
Of a Kofi and the main camera star junction of mine, and the Maca, yeah, no one has a new Muffer DC, and other NT last, and I may expect to say, Bubusan, but I'm to Bubusan, or some of
87.9 Kumasi.
But yeah, so. Of a Kofi, and you may be close to quite a so assembly hall. A year or more waste management. No, on your cars, Bruna, a far your waste. No. Ayana and Kofi Gina, a home as a motorcycle, or more waste. Of a good what you're making.
Chrimbu, mammy, a quadra so assembly or opposite the a bank. No,
but or Nipana may become who has no assembly holding intimidate assembly in the aiding kind.
Okay, more than a dear brew.
Zoom lion for almost say you wish.
Okay. Okay.
Omoka na omode stand on say you won for we are no motor car.
Aye.
Of a Kofi e bi e call to Lazab etu kromo ase akremade kwan so no. Of a Kofi ani nyan. Yin na ni say on say omotan waste ni di buka ni mu a e roller na wuro di ko inside.
Aye.
Na ensuo na e wo saa ewura na omo fa ye ni na e wo se etaka ni mu no omo wo tap bi wo ho pipe bi wo ho na omo tale ho na abie
wow
ensuo no egu kwan no fa ko bi edu no pa na be fa efiri lazab ha no ti kromo ase kwan no nya
wow
fa ko bi da bia na utem wo ha badam so be kem bia na wo glass wo so nto wonte o fa di line yeah fa ko bi no class na meka no da bia me wo sergeant na wo be kem kura be hu.
Oh, okay.
Let's go dinner hall. Dinner and I pay the bread. And this up your course on here. Or be a tap on a big book one to baby on the down. I no for doing nothing. Upa will be on one lazab hand from one sending access work on. The Omunfleno said Jamaica.
The MC Echo Germany. Obabidua, I think by next week he should be back. I'll deal with that. Don't worry. That is, you are assured on that. Good morning.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good morning.
One minute, Kase.
I said, my friend Muniru Bukari.
Okay.
I'm going to free to ask. Offer, you are quite nine. It is in Ukachana. Offer. Yes, Frau Sena, yet to your mom for no. But so small, and I will move her.
Say yes, I have Pejazo.
They are in Utah District. They are to bring.
Hey,
Utah District, yeah, disposal.
Brim, our Eastern region.
But the Fanta from inside, Asante Mampon, you can have some American.
Oh, okay.
Asante Mampon,
get them see.
I didn't see the friend pull but I have quite busy. The thing there, regional money, bridging in the book, kwani na television yi yi kwani na mu you say da ya brepa kan ya bedru sika no so hwe agro ba ire ne nema nam kwan so a da ya sefem che pese se ne wo ye man ko bi amukwa ma mo no bra ba hwe ye kwan no ma ye mo amufo mo ni bere wakati nya ntro eni ka to no so nya se empa na ye ne nyina de ti wono ye nya DC ye nya ye nya je beti ba ma sa wo ku
enya ho na ba na hene ye DC no.
Aha, no, but J.
Okay, yep, Mate,
kakra yɛsrɛ wɔn a momoayɛ.
Don't worry. Me Pozo. JB mo work on Pozo, mami. Good morning.
Good morning, Dr.
Why na me ne ka say? Mami ntio.
Dr. Israel. Ana pa Israel. So. Ɛnsa Dr. Nse kronom kwan na panke kwan no. Dr. Nse empefo hunu mu hu ana sɛ.
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Dr. mention that too. Ofo ya kwan yi 2007 2008 no. Sɛ akoye tutu ama say police station, Crown police station. Opposite. Baby around no no. Dr. Fu the mu chepin kakra me gu kwa maka ntimi ko na sɛ ɛfa no duro. Sabi tikia sɛ mentimi nwase o. Ata adem bɔne na sɛ sɛ. Adem bɔne o ni pe bitiri ma because me gina wa me ntiase. If you want to about you on New York, the same thing.
87.9.
The same thing. Maybe you have a put it away anymore. Oh, what is it? Wow. I never moved here. Almost said if I come up, I remember green. It's just a gap. That's the body.
Right, for a higher Akoma 87.9 FM. One of the areas, residents Efraya since Monday, Ewam Potemu. Na womani a bread and then I atumamponwa. Na omzigovi atumamponwa kumasia ne Asante mantemu. Pe kwan fupa oa. Bra na bra behe. Na apart from saying hini kromo kakra bi adwudwa so bra. Na kohwe area mia bebre apro Isaac Manfo the district chief executive Aya Akoma 87.9 FM 48 minutes past 7 midin de Aduanaba Kofi Asante Senior Manfo, good morning.
Good morning, Asante.
All residents in fact said this week omunya wanka chobwe pa. Oh, na me say we need to get in touch with you. Areas bebre area roads Omaka senye the diama contract yejano ho the yemfa contract. What is the problem? Adain
na Asante mami fa akonye so na menchi achimampo no my Asante manega na manyina na menchi am so say da masi bebre say adwuma na ye no ye de mo anda ye say bi nipa de wutwa sa wonim se na kirachia be said wo ho wutwa wo hunu wachi so ati ahye ye ka kwan asem wo atwomampo no ne de aseda kese be ma yewura kofo ne na adodan kwa kofo ado ne won rabo aze kwa biase ma atwomampo no abre bi by ko tar kwa ni bi yewura kofo boy na 23 kilometers highway for ye maye na adodan kwa kofo ado na daroma ono so betra be isui it's about 129 kilometers tied road me no kase nyina hi township road a tied road ofri nyina hini e fa kire ya so kosi akwabra so tied road Ufri for one kwanta kusi kojofo bioko 3 contractors omgoso kokoro so moye ufri kwan finfi ekusi akonche eno so ye tied road ufri amango asi kusi achiase ena na asuo kane kokoro so guso a oye okohwe mpasetia township road e fully tied road mpasetia to beda abo tied road se ye nipa anamo na yetu se obi ye bibi mawa esese udi kan danase the once ye nipa ye ho ade na se yesusu ye ene ne ma ye hwehwe donso de enye ne nyina adako ye de aseda kese magana mampanini na emum akwan no akabi honorable azekwa miesi ama me MP yegusu me no kase na ye wo problem wa na nsu efiri rubegu na sano hardrofo no ye tado efiri tano dumase janshi ekosi rubegu enkwasi atane ho asepa me bai MP ye nyina ye kai tipam ho ama yakoye ya reshaping kwan no me no kase da so kama sira so ofiri akwabra so na second phase first phase omo ye free say aso kwanta kosi akwabra so tied road na ka 7.5 kilometers no do streso eno na kwan na say ko fa grida last month akọ clear so nyina akwanse me no ka say e free nkroman kwanta kosi pechi minimisa say o free serebo so ekosi abansua minimisa say ana wo free anwe futu kwanta ekosi mpanye minim akantanso kwanta to akantanso minim chichiwere minim na sese me no kase yakọ rent grader e de abisi ha yeguso a yeyi akwa no sese so de aye anano mpase te yakoye nti masre adwuma na ye na governance no enye adwuma eda fom ma de tie nya abotre
achiase wo mpasua so
achiase wo mpasua so achiase eye kokoro na asuo kani ne ade ama no last week rider ministry no friend say yen summit o mu details mbra
beba to
mo musika no ma ba site
onte
amiko
enti achiase de ne de mo award ba contractor na ma site
oh contractor no oguso on say omu ye adwuma ekudum pempen so no ma prepare certificate no mo the ministry of finance na mo je mo musika no ma saba me call regional highway director hono last was it last Monday and okaje so omo prepare ska kakra dia ma papa no me friend na next week also Kofi no cre ministry na frame me nti yes aba site mbaje wati ase omo kuso
eba to kotokuom wo mpasua so
kotokuom wo me be free kwan fifi kosi kotokuo tide road na wo free kotokuom wo batira enjenasa na watena akonche ho na tide road no ekoso
but there is a bridge e wo kotokuom a residents ne say they are cut off kra
minimpa bridge ne yetu ho anamo me MP ye ko road ministry ama minister na assure yen say ostrafo bi omu no mu ye hyehyeye no mu be bridges e wo ha amaye omu de yaka ho bi very soon omu ba be ye ntimi nuam ye nti ho kwa ade sɛ de sɛ be omu na di tumi na mai omu ha no omu adwendwene ye yesu adwendwene so say misre anamo ne ye nyina etu asɛm ɛba ehunu kwan a ye befa so a ye nyina betoto ne di sɛ me no ka sɛ wo ba wo behwe in front of the assembly block grade si ho so what you say ye gusu a ye yi akwan no nkakra o sɛ ye se ye nkɔte adurombra nyina ayi sikasɛm nti ye gusu a ye tu anamo nti mesre ma de hye bi na wo ka sɛ nka wo de hye nya wada nya demonstration asɛm.
Yes, but my concern is that areas now no, but there are areas of the farmers no crown idea bano. Many of them is to toyi a chance to mangoasi kutukum bridge I can want some one are so terrible sad that unkokran waba.
Yeah, say unimi say district no say be menye this year me ti baby na be this just like that. My assembly member quite about 16 years. My constituency party chairman is about 12 years. Nti achomampo e kwa bia no minim. Ana wo ha bia no wo kro bia minim. Minim. Me no ka say e be men na kwan nwire mu kwan minim dia ye. Say contractor guy ya operator no me na kasa Monday ye ko area ba konia koto. O say adwuma no wo ne contractor ne ye adwuma na ja wapani sika kakrama no. No asato aso reshaping oh this me ya yesre so kwan ya na nsu empasati frontage yakoye enti me so na daro
omunya for one contact to afase bon
etukodwo krom bayire bon e ho three contractors in the go so three contract last week na me summit wo mu details call ministry of finance
you have contractors e was akwan no so
e pa cho utie me kakra
me too
wadaroma ye the three ya wodo contract ma four contractors omu ye adwuma na nanse omu breaki kakra iti ministry no ma me de omu details by omu mo omu sika no masa ba site mbaje wate ase iti me assure say adwuma na ye amanyosen be yenka hu say watemo kese so wawade ni enti me nyina wani na ade a me nyeye ana ade a me ntu ho no mo no me nka enhye amansan ti mesre contractors no me no na kasa omu se me na kasa na summit MP ma me summit details na commission iti mesre woni di mo omu nya abotre enye ebuapaye ye nyina yegusu ye tu anamo se de be ya de so mu na di tumi maye se be nyi omu anka ye nyina ka ye hwe tumi no na se be na no pe manya akwanya me ne wo kase enye ye ebuapaye yegusu a ye tu anamo se de be ya akwanse ni nyina no ebe wie peye wa atwompo nya
so grade and honor is it because in CO to toninti and most of the reshaping mojai and I say
there be enye se CO to tono ohun se ye grade no ejuma ne ne ye contractor no the grader ba ya current ne dia ba but what you say ye okoye anansu die wa ye sere so die nti eja ye hwe na ye ne no ai sikasem ye tua man ye wi ya ne esako ye fresh rebo so kusia bensia ye firi ho ane aba nkrom kwante tupachi ye firi ho ane aba amrada janshi to amrada ye firi amrada janshi ane aba akantansu kwante to akantansu ye firi ho na ya bese ne ko chichire all my teacher ho na boxart area no ewo nti wadaroma yegusu a aja ye ni ye adwuma se de be ye ade hye umbefo ntuma pa efra ewo akwansem.
In fact, we getting reports this year say a chance kwan no mujai to wache ni nyina asa say kra say de omunye omunko so
mimia on se medical catch was say ya award contract ne demand na su kani ye kani Waja to ho. Then me assure say last week ministry no omo me papa no kra me kodifie kwaji ni details ana me de call Accra. Ministry no samo with kano ma basite. No kra so mo ja to was it about 5 months back. Omo ba me machines nyina ho ba do omo ni kwa no so. Be omo nyina expect say omo sa be keskano no ma sa basite no ma be continue ojima na mai. By the way, e kwane de e wo contractor nsa oguso awoye.
So you share within what period and contractors no ever back?
Wadaruma wakay unsi adwuma na omo ye no meka omo ho mehwe won so nti meto me nsa afre wo na me no makasa se omo details na ye savage ko finance ministry no say na esi omo update me se be mema mososo maso ate me de mani so be di akire se bi sinto bi ababia na be hwe se be address na omo tumi abeya kwan no na ye nyina enye ho fedi.
Atwamamponwa Nyinahini Stadium, one of the biggest stadiums, and I name stadiums and here say Asante in the region. What is the state? They are at a day.
Wadaruma, Atwamamponwa Nyinahini Stadium said you can. It didn't can say be a diasida kesi be magana mampani na ado danko ekufado. Ise se bitumi ye de mawa trimopone adwene wutrimu na udane dima adasanya so mfaso. Orabo azikwami esiama Nadaruma wakai se kuntu hwe na chi na eba ada o ministry ho de adiapade a hodi ja Asante man Ghana man ni atwama ni stadium contractors no who say o free ho no minister ba ko ba na say o review contract no was it about last 2 months me call see won ho Accra ekoto no so Kofi ye de yare wodo am another contractor it contractor no free achim tafu mituka ko contractor oyo hene no this is a what one more bahamani ajepa me assure say Monday never side and power do say ye wo your Monday no so ba side say me no kase o ma start your mugu adwuma no so omunye say de be ya umbiti na complete project no fully to Wadaruma ye guso a ye say wo be hwen pempen so a wo buy ba 2 months in the adwuma ho ya me nia so ani ntimi nyina enye ho abotre a contractor no site pempen a wo ye adwuma
say a wo mo boys bobosobo omutimi de ye adwuma the stadium
say contract itself no say wo de adwuma ma contractor na onwie e hand over e ma say bi omana na assembly na say bi obi koso na say bibi kura kusia contractor na beka say cost no ade only dey wontimi on say
because about 2 years ago vice president crab ba ho na nkonwa ewo ho nyina ne washroom nyina akra na ya asai I mean
me pacho so obi bi I don't know say bi a wa witness ekonyo washroom obi bi intact
video na me I'm showing the video on Facebook page now
me at times me on say adwuma na ye no as this government project bi a day in and day out bi a say supervise enura me ko site o many security men no adwumayefo no mu ye adwuma nyina to ne nyina ye di nkomo me am witness sabi nkonya bibia intact bibia no ma say wo sum ye ko ho contract e ba o mu ye bibia o mu ye adwuma na eja so me bi adwuma na ye nipa ho adwuma so what say the obi beti ana de obi bo no enti say the wan kasa wo gina ho no we dey wo di ho adansi betimi say kabre wo mu wan kasa betimi ba witness no go situation prevent no ba here.
Just a minute. A resident from Wompasuano saw a calling to. Good morning. Why am I now free?
Good morning, sir. Boss.
I don't free.
Make us free Nagode.
Nagode, ewo Atwamamponwa.
Atwamamponwa, yes, sir.
Mamintio.
Oh, I'm see Obaye. Nagode, on can you come and share ye? Or not what say, as a assembly member, NDC, until Omufi. The way you are playing, the way you school are dying. You say, school are done, no one particular. So, I now what this is so ordinary. Can I go there somewhere? 1990. Only the best cocoa farmer in Nagode, in Ghana. So, and so I'm saying, you know, you're not doing so much. Only MP now. So, only a 12 bar, a 12 bar NDC. It will move here.
Mine, I can't say,
I'm saying.
Some of NDC on your day.
NDC, yeah. It will move here. Oh, it's a plan of focus.
Meba, Miniamafo, Nagode, a one person so.
Minia me patch on Nagode on Pesos.
Not an also MC, NDC.
Minia, yeah, man, your sem. Sebi, at your mom punwa. A brown man penny, a boom, or nominate me as this, you know. Now, assembly members are confirming me. At your mom, constitutionally, no. constitutionally elected elected areas, you know, and assembly members only 38. Out of 38, you know, NDC for year 15. Me buy not a single NDC member na to abetia. Me nya 100% endorsement. Me nya selective e wo administration. Na go dey police station na do aboyesu. Sabi nkro is about 650 communities and watch mampo no. NDC nya bi, MPP nya bi. But mamamu a me buo no, me nya selective. NDC for ba me office. MPP for ba me office. Sabi NDC ni ato aba ma me ama ya confirming IGC. Na ye den and million. Yeah, you know, because a lot of projects, and you near the crack and then the consume. Say, many anybody dance here. On about the Kwame Siamada Roma. Sabra was the party chairman you between Suma. On about the Kwame Siamada Roma and the Yen Kanyamo. Says selective administration and Kaya, in your second, sir. There be on my chichiri, yetri. On Abutre, Yenina yetite. I dare not say at the Hoa, meant to mean Cassam de Kami back for that. Davida, I go so say NDC, Strongwood. Look at the projects I know. Mini a mesro. A German ma on fa a dear infinity. I am re Akonya Namenya. Mean near Konyan Kosi, we are here. Nemo me bomber rad empire since Rebia would 2 minutes in a radin for Nami. A Chinamino and I am Kaidu. To Miss Ranyama yourself.
But we are aware of the problems. What now go the crooning?
Many problems I want to go the crew. Yeah, now go the acquire a free banyo crew, a fun go the cratch crew, and I'm so sad, Kusu crew, when I'm so equisi afipai. Meaning finding in and then a medical catch will say, yeah, greeder. Ah, yen quino, yeah, back to us on the Yayan and Kakra. It's a mystery. Say, Maya, that does not mean say, Sabi, you want Sabi, a yipamu, intimate other. Only Minipana or Casano. At your mampo, no better Abusa, Ubia, you soon in the Bayam, the church mampo. Ye include Ubia, a Jumana Yano, and this is for Band office, Umutu for Kofi, yes, Sabi, Nipa, in spite of us, a year practice multi-party system does not mean say, Sabi, a community transfer.
So, on the issue of school, there in the honor, now go the full school.
Oh, now go the almost school down, almost school. Only about the Kwame Siama Kwesi school was it about around 2009 or so. By the way, and this school down, I say, me get
maybe was this school down 2006 and I say 2023.
I say school down, say, me get say, I say. So, assembly member Nabam, who are Bobo Mamadi, many education director, I cook Rumuho, Akofi situation in school down there is here. And my image is in Yamea Dum, yes, a sebi contract be a bar. Ye better say, ye did become crude yanim, Nankolanos, become Colania. I did say, and a young in a bomb pie is a 7 another Danko for the government penny, Nadaroma, or Pesa Coledia Chefa.
Have you said it anyway, sir? Or we end this if we do few.
Minia, the Okano, yeah, I'm on your sembe, what teamwork is here. Who's an essay? Only me, enemy by.
But I'm seeing this in a can have a brand there.
Busy, you know, what I head about I want to pie and people near over Sunday this year. On one account, or my assembly member, or country assembly member, the more and the for Musalamo Tobama and NDC. A 3 more. A penny and pie, squad down at the Tikura for your crana as a Mobocra.
And across 206 NSC school down at 2023, I say.
206 no Musimaya, school down at 50. Now, me and Katama, me a 31st woman organizer. No, see, they care, board, they care, you mind. That would mean now for as a name for school.
I see.
Ah, yeah, men talk.
Oh no.
Yes, Marfo. Minia, me pacho. Me pasa papa me chire.
Yeah.
Specific place and an area me assembly member no oh no. Me close friend.
Okay.
Obama saying. And what be even automated street boss on Obajibi. Or he no me buy Obama saying. Me will be any problem with community. And a man kasa so meant to me ko jam baby and can't sim with that. Nti papa no busa ne se ehifa na me Kofi man for me gina ya meka esabe atwomampo no nkro no sebe nye kro nyina na aro 200 police station nye di nyina de weni na meboa enye di nyina dada abo me no ka se chief compound 2016 mini aseme ya boa NDC na ye me buy me ma complete nyame ya adoma na su mi se commission project send you just come here select you meaning say dada abo ilusu. By the way, administration governance continue yeah mama to no esese me to so na me ye a lot of the projects are 2016 almost last year. We buy taxpayers' money. See, can a million say we are boy by year or call me Casema Beto into Mijamanaka. Ordinary taxpayer and what you are. I want to see him for movement. And you must say, and make us an answer head director Obano, we say about 15,000. And I'm a demand on Kototo, and more equipment, now you got commission project. Minia, then come the yes selective, the dab woman, number of votes if we near free Bedabo. Send the minion coming call. Bedabo, we know, because a real education project. It's even your necessary. I'm your son, a brand new doer about to be what they will pay. Who bet me a corner will pay. By the way, the 2 me could come in on coming home. You say again. So
almost school the bank and they will have the school renovated.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Let's go. Yes, young Kotia drummer and 1 year by Kawakoma 2 years. Now, Mr. Sumini management. You organize you. Need to make a send and I watch now.
Get it back to you for update the bank.
Wadaruma and I'm seeing Pese. Sebi ejumana ye na mansenye na make such room. Me say jai mame. Mankasa me organize mo. Kwana me faswa impre me ni management. Eni me MP. Ibi to na mo na yahwe na hobby e hobby me e yasodi. Etu de jai mame.
I see. Enti stadium no be ready crowd abeng.
Asante somebody to say.
Yeah, what's the contractor ni go so awoye, but the video ya buy that was last year cra. And now it was in a deplorable and abandoned state. It was so bad. And I was the contractors at Baswa, Moye Edmas. I want to know that Bain and in sports stadium, a bay completely available because the last time I visited painting in our say many things were done in a very deplorable.
Metro. Who is this year? Who supervise projects? Many contractor and this year specifically. Number one period or the baby jumano. If we are member Maswati. Now, me did dance as a contractor. You know, because you go so so I said, don't care. They say, Commodore one of school, but now, mammy, what's with John on one word? And this is the send it to be a beppin would be a dance. Oh, mammy, we're now my mini who need Janet the Honosa and a pianist. So
specifically, contractor or yeah, there, Juma hobbies.
Say was started fencing. Oh yeah, and a Tatan tracks also so Gusua Omoye.
I see.
The second phase when we first phase, but when we first this a second phase in a completion into a year after completion level.
Wow. Mafo, Mamena Wase, I think next week, if anything, I'll get back to you.
Of Asante, Mr. Wasi.
Thank you. I'm for higher Akoma 87.9 FM. Evans.
Yeah, Kofi.
One.
Oh, Debbie me die. Now, say some say utia. I was reflecting. Inti, I know na me yeno.
My your problem.
Kofi, your problem. But I think say some of the MMDCs now menya konya kasano. We in a day me potema ba Kofi Asante uti edwam, and we are getting results. Amemu no eyade ba kope. Amemu ni nyina ne say development beba.
Yeah.
Na also I did to me amount no sebi to me no GD Ghana for enyam and I say oman for enya and I say to me no ekura so what you say nti the ehwehwa no asem ne ba also omutimi ba no be yi ano na afisu ba bia omode poma ne si no na omode asi na afisu so yetimi akoyanim nti Kofi eno ano no
street lights
yes
any traffic light will come asi abanten so
Kofi nye why say the way you chira hey ufa ye chi hey hotel ya na omokoi ufa ho akusi new road ne so a would they connect the main new road no ufa ye chira high kwa enya de say street light no adwuma for very long time
as can change yaso
yes it is a person otisi main road no atese wo no ukodwa ho a otwe okonhwe say cars ne free Georgia Hotel ho ebesna call Aranga Junction no omo light na so red na face so omo mususu ewuram abaye hey so so red na face omo mu free Aranga Junction e de omani kire Georgia Hotel na do run about no omso de na so red and stand wetimi atwam it wankasa de wunnya opportunity bia so obehu because o de na nya adwuma enti eno so de no na afei ukọ otra your friend is say ofa new road ya so kopie mu o ofori krom as a wuro ofori krom ho no so a also street light no so enye adwuma na ho kra de Kofi accident tesi wo pa isan say cars free ofori krom atiasi new road nim omo so etwam akọ airport runabout omo free airport so eba abesene aba Georgia no omo ba ya na top speed pa so nya dey street light no so eye adwuma ti afin say mpanifo tie ya omo be kwa akọhwe na afi de also omo yema na yeye no omo so aye ama na yeye kama pa me ba na wo ka menim se bia na wo ka IGP asem no ne papa na asem no Kofi enra be 3 hours nya kwan etie pa
I watched and
Kofi
now was here gume
Kofi unim Kofi papa no bigidi ye se okudru fie mentra emu na tan ka se prejudicial nemum no ninsem no kaaye ewo committee na se no eno yesi ofin hunsu eno ane de ye no ane nam eti ninsem no kaaye ewo committee na se no eno ana medina so na so de ama me submission Kofi eno am reho papa Kofi obi aye politician me tuwe me politician
yeah
me started to about 2000
yeah
but me started the politics in 1992 na me swapa because if you omo politicians ha na Kofi we popo we Roman ni a we Roman ni nchen popo sabe unya MPP ni nchen Akufo-Addo so dia se menim me nyina nim sem eba no police administration IGP appointment obi anim say sometimes you are purely political
yes sometimes
so they political say unye obi a we affiliated kakra yemfiu yento yemfa IGP adwuma no ye dem fa mawo so they say ebi na unye MPP ni nchen dampare o ebi a menim dampare bi otuna bako nanso so ye hwe trend na ebi na unye MPP ni nchen no Kofi enti wanya IGP nti e wo so man ne bo Kofi wo nyunsama wokan nyina kire se ka wo ye IGP a ka ascend off no matter baby e nipa ne person mo to ma ba ne kono ka bitimi aye hu bibi enti e wo se BBC na wo nkosa nwa nkasa interest ni nti no you want to rob the people of baby a omo choice
unyin ni so say there are problems within the Ghana police.
Kofi obi nka se oni bibi Kofi enra ye ma papa na konwa se problem se wo eye onu nu hu ne se wo police service mu onka wantimi anka ba ko
and obviously he will not say
no wantimi ka say na wo watimi aka say ye hu no debate no
presence of the
ye hu no ye busa na say wo ye politician wo so obi ye politician fantastic enti na wo problem with or admit so say of course he had issues with Dampare because of the way or that aspect of the tape no admit because of the way or handle a send off no no I send off
I say sir omoye na send off kra no monya enkoy no he had not gone to a send off he just said it or send the problem ne say Dampare is not correct. So I would not.
Okay, correct.
Yes, and you admit it. And no, guys, we can in there. I can china. Why? Because the man is destroying the police administration. And but because so audio no buy before I send off.
No.
Audio no buy between I send off and
no.
Kumasi
no.
Kumasi.
Uti audio no.
Yeah, uti audio
na. Okachire uti audio na. Okachire bugri na abuse. Look at a send off. He made reference to a send off in the audio. He made reference to a send off. Dampare could have done something for the MPP.
Also, he warned them. Says, "Oh my, yeah, a bet bibi besu asun." So he just beside the was he worried about? No, so no. What happened was Kumawu no, and I'm not making reference, but he never. Audio there he confirmed say
Kofi
e buy na
nsemo kan nyina no ne tofambo nyina ne say Dampare enyo bi a obetimi aboa the ruling administration when we need election
yes and
which is very dangerous
but Evans and they first right
yes
mark it on the wall.
Oh, so
Dampare me not finish.
Kofi o say no listen. Minim say o kan say ma ya na nim de o kan. It mean doubt o. but you be dangerous. A be political
FM 87.9
Kumasi. Nanado Dankwa.
The picture will be that,
as president.
The picture will be that the leader is being embattled.
No. Say Ubeyi Dampare and Kobe force Dampare say Unkuli because of
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Alex Mensah enim Guasia Obigu. On one kasane ho. Eti makacho say we MPP nia and now we Romania. Onye Romania nchempo.
Honorable Chair, I will not deny that fact today, tomorrow, or the next day. I will make that statement again. That the current Inspector General of Police is not managing the police service well. It's something I will not run away from. I will say it everywhere, anywhere that I go. And you can do your own investigations, call police officers underground and find out from them.
Commissioner, calm down. Calm down. Can you assist this committee?
Okay, for medical catchers and Chairman Sabunsu Ewon Komo and all the concerns and issues will deal with that. But the emphasis that my abua for Alaska Star Enterprise and Empire Super Concrete Blocks.
Would you decline? Not me enjoy very quickly. Show wallpapers, any kettle lines or dear design in the hall and in the rooms. Wash a
Akoma FM 87.9.
I know yet 3D epoxy design. Okay, Miss Row, baby. Free Alaska Star Enterprise. Wallpapers, window blinds, different colors and sizes. Over more than 350 different designs. Or designer as a 3D, 5D, any 8D moral designs in Ghana, Alaska pet or a man for Timiko to do a power ton for chemical said dear treatment equal see designs nya na Joshua wa say as I see a meton then show was you as a clay bisa it's not enchenchen wa no ho nyina tan na ba say me frɛ Alaska Star Enterprise and mo de chemical e be treat ye e di 3D
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi enya nya me sum kra de wo me mu a aka me de jinkofo gas yo na one more important Alaska Star Enterprise Kumasi Adum Prudential Plaza opposite Hwa Accra so Tiptoe Lane opposite Circle Mall and Wakashi NS Kamisidano mu Ebene MTTD fra 0200 281 080 and 0248 315 258
Modie bebia na makoto blocks na mudi siden hwe blocks ya mason fo edi siden ni nyina frofro ye tumfo amuntie meka kira wo se kwa Empower Super Concrete Product for so ye wo monne ma cement eco blocks mu ye ye de machine ana ye bibia machine na mix more kano machine ana twa blocks no na wi ahye ne kama ana ne size no so de ye accurate over 6 inches 5 inches and I say over 5 hollow blocks 6 hollow blocks pavement blocks road cave and as a tiles blocks ubenya bi obi esidan ma ka che ne say onko Empower Super Concrete Product aseye e ho no mo blocks no eye papa Empower roofing fo a e de chance papa ye de boden so abadwaso no wo mo kroya ana kofa blocks papa pai e de aba ahoto so ne say ye free delivery within Kumasi ya obebu ya ne Empower roofing e di enhwane mu frɛ e was 0271 1444 and I say 0208 3964 24 Empower Super Concrete Product blocks papa FA.
Right, episode for Higher Akoma 87.9 FM. Idi de Aduanaba Kofi Asante yemfasada ma aboafo eboaye Denny Heba and Trading Center. Danny Heba and Trading Center is the best place abako akwaji wapumdin and anopay. We're talking about Dampari's audio tape, a very quick one.
Of your statement. It had to do with elections.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Let's do some quick analysis of his conduct relative to elections. Has he evinced some level of unprofessionalism when it comes to the policing of elections, to the best of your knowledge? Because you spoke within the context of the conduct of elections.
Honorable Chair, my concern was and is that as we speak,
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Majority of police officers are not happy.
Okay, so that was a very, very explosive comment and point there from a COP Mensa. We have time now, just about 21 minutes past 8. Higher Akoma 87.9 FM. We need Aduanaba. Kofi Asante, the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, so I'm member of Parliament, and Majority Leader Ra Oseche Minsabun seated. Chief, morning.
Good morning, sir.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Persuasion so here.
Persuasive for so here.
Mami started with the persuasion say almost 1.5 years is to come. And persuasion, what is a man for friends? Says Sabrebi. You've also said it. So what is intense pressure on you? Ubejo Mhafiana 2024. And now with your more call on West Akobim.
Like a Sandra. Say me co bill.
Okay.
And they am no say.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Like a Sandra. So me could be.
And then so
Mijina no.
That's how you are fit. You are strong. I mean,
so nya pomudin asemtia. Nya na me gidi say. If I may no abidru no. Mpeni se be ma be bi, ma be ni nyina. So Brofonso Kabibi says sometimes you bow out when the applause is loudest. To be a baby or say, oh, yeah, or say, Jam will be so better to be. Near she, dear now, we know, any the performance between me,
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi. Yeah, they be we beat my yache. So, who knows to say, be a DB or beat me a more harm, chimu bed your colon. You do not hackano. We beat my baby enum.
Yeah.
So, who had her in chimu your colon away. You beat my baby enum no untimin could do, you know. Maybe I would do your chronos, the man and going to me.
Yeah.
But they do know, if you know one who deal with my baby. Like I say, I can't be more than I be 100%.
But one animal can say the fine brains within the house. We are losing them.
87.9 Kumasi.
The okoi na why be mukran the senior most is it Collins Dauda and answer why? I say you almost lost everybody.
Collins meaning say none was saying and I say when I don't even recollect.
Collins Dauda
was saying
yes, Collins.
I see. Meaning say Dr.
Yes, one day what you uncle be.
And avocan so
when you ubu baby being so uncle be. You've lost almost all the big brains.
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi. Side the next generation after me no ye.
Katie
Hammond. And nipa me no mudi mention Katie Hammond. Japan.
Yes.
Kenna presidential. Meaning say we nya no be ko bi wa na so nko bi wa. And the minti.
So likely so we may be losing him in parliament. We go compare president we nya ni na so compare MP and I just say and also acquire another story altogether. But
one day and they say fa ho.
Oh, fa ho. No. Fa ho. Man for second you don't know what you want.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yes.
But in the Westminster system, our head of state and head of government, a prime minister.
Yeah.
So any pan call prime minister or Pennsylvania, he's still in parliament.
But this is Ghana.
He's still in parliament. Indeed. Yeah.
Fortunately for MPP, Boacha Jakon I withdraw. Under a protest. Men can say, one am more penny for a more share all this while. Baby, I said you see withdraw. Are you happy with how you've arrived at your 5?
Oh, because am I happy?
Akoma FM.
Because already a lot of concerns. Ujiri is a party who is not treating him fairly. A more selective few of the Council of Eden among Konkoto leaving the over or 900 phone now when they needed to go?
Well, me ideally no. Senga itimi to abano yi ba ko a.
Yeah.
Na me mpo nanka me gidi se ansa na ebedu ho no. Senga party no engage onu mi no. Ye engage omo denden so pa bia nka ba ko beja ma ba ko.
Na when one man trust.
Me buy ye me call na no me call meeting no me te say o ma engage wo mo.
Okay.
But na obia omo bia mpe
87.9 Kumasi.
But if you ask obia won ferry for.
Okay.
E bia nka mo omo intensify no anka be produce that result. Na me hwe say nka bit my yen sa. But amasa nso dia ani na wo say koto aba. Abato no na how do we do it? And na ono boache eja akono. What raise issues is we face acquire party of us on unconstitutional.
Yeah.
I know the men in yarding.
Oh, okay.
Yes, men in yarding. Constitution they can say. Say, Okase BB unconstitutional. Not any say. In the face of the clear provision.
87.9 Kumasi.
Yemfeni fano.
And Nabia
Makaku Constitution can be there. The Constitution did not anticipate such situation.
So more lacuna.
There is a lacuna. We have Constitution, the party Constitution. We have Article 13.
Yeah.
Article 13 of the Constitution, class 13.9.
Yeah.
Or say, where there are more than 5 contestants for nomination as the party's presidential candidate, a special electoral college shall cast their votes by secret ballot for the first 5 contestants.
87.9 Kumasi.
Ena 9 no wabechire waka we awie no. O se nipa no bro enum a yen ma special electoral college bi.
Okay.
Enso ne so na omunyinum. Je nipa no meka num.
When okay. No na mudi kwaye no na no
ena wachire 9 no ano 1319 no asaka who constitutes the special electoral college.
Okay.
What's the National Council for? National Executive Committee, Regional Executive Committees, all members of the National Council of Elders, all party members of Parliament, 3 representatives of each of the special organs of the party, past national officers, 3 representatives each from every external branch, founding members during the registration of the party at the Electoral Commission, all party card-bearing ministers.
Okay.
Sankrofui and a constituted electoral college, special electoral college.
Yeah.
And over 10 now, or say, every delegate shall be entitled to 1 vote. That is 13-1-10. Over 11 now, 11 I say, the party's presidential candidate shall thereafter be elected by the following delegates.
Okay.
Yeah, first one we need so 5.
Yeah.
And
also there's no mention as to say attire why na mo be go for and how am we see
the party's constitution did not anticipate that. And the amfanche mu.
Okay.
Say tie bi ba yenye ne den. Tina make us me say I didn't hear any own constitution and mean say no.
Okay.
Because constitution no am prescribe kwan bia amaye. Na constitution am prescribe kwan bia amaye no. Ene na akoba say no ye be ne den.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ye Congress.
Okay.
Congress is the highest decision making
of the
body of the party. Or say a free delegates conference.
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi. And so what's our problem now?
That's serious.
Emre nimu na ekabo wumunti no. And the National Council could take a decision no.
Okay.
The party the constitution no say emre bi say ba. The National Council no. Etimi take the opposition decision.
Okay.
Emma Congress. No more directives. Senti yenye ni say.
Okay.
The constitution is aneka. And in the National Council be mu ebeka say
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Special task force beyond the presidential elections. And that Professor Okwi Edano.
That is special committee.
The special committee. No more regulations be by regulations are the by and no crack in the question no on be can say tie ba the 5th positioner ka yenye rerun involving
the 2 and whoever
say yes nipa miensa o nipa mienu o nipa 9 e bebo bracket wo 5th position na yentu aba fufuro using say
Akoma FM 87.9
council no ko shia e na mo ka say o de ayi sanche na mo de ba no kra mpo no asem fo so kakra wo ho mo so wo ho no say also mo ka say if there's a tie our 5th positioner and na yen koye rerun no the tie no your 5th position go on get Messi
okay
so what's first position go on could have been
Akoma FM 87.9
second position they could have been a tie third position they could have been 4th they could have been a tie
and
the other now all the tie no ko 5th one go what you say and that you know say nya kwan hwemu yi a na omo de ba ne council ankohye biu
okay
ti nya kwan hwemu yi a bia nka yenyi ntum sa omo de abawi however council ne yi sa committee no nti obeka say omo kasa ma committee no
okay
omo committee na kasa ma council no what you say
yeah
the council no take a decision it's only the council that can rescind decision omo take
okay
what you say
not the committee
not the committee
okay
se council no mo de abraham council so okay mo de aba no ya somu sa so no and I say council no catch the committee so emre ni ntimi de mo nkoye regulations famra regulations na mo de ba no se nya daje antan so krambo na it still binds us
okay
na say bind the council no council no ko na bit ba cause sa regulations and it na nanu ye call ye no sa asem no ba ye na ye ka say no I didn't hear no esa ko ye ekabo ma party no
okay
you be saying a sabre
across the 16 regions
it was be no anybody be ground mo fi amano ne beto aba
Akoma FM 87.9
at the expense of the party no yet you mo shenka de abeduru oman mu no ebi ma san ko afi na san afre o ba se beto aba memenda so many of them cannot come into sanity dia yema council no sa decision na take here no yen setting aside council no setting aside
okay
the council no set his decision aside and almost say ya setting aside no and the council no decide say council no decide say if any say a banker you be to nationwide involving say nipa no article 13 no a list here no yema council no nko and yes I didn't to cut down costs
okay
and the council take his decision they say because a young constitution I meant to say
more communicate chair no award them or express these reservations
he was not there in fact omo no money
omo reps in the buy
you want me for representative ma
okay
on say ye bodin
okay
say ni pass me in ebra
nti say wo ma
me say ye case majority leader una wo representative party no
okay
the party in parliament was steering committee me ntimi anko a my deputy cannot attend
87.9 Kumasi
national council no adeni modie onka ho
okay
but bocheja ko eka ho cause eastern region for
okay
you know as a representative
I see
of their council of I think the elders was saying the eastern regional representative of national council no.
But at that meeting they went
at that meeting no one don't say no
there will be a communication official
in fact then I take a decision no even because we are taking decision then can to aba no
oh okay
and adwen no yes they
do no can say
so one yen communicate to them na afei memenda ka yen ko hia ne to aba no ayi ochina
yeah
yen ko hia na council for no to aba no national headquarters and na ono say na koma anyuso nti on the way in afrim we in afrim dia na chesa kanum
yeah and obviously
na aka no
omo November
4th no
2nd or 4th
November
4th leader the last 26 election of course are you satisfied generally in all general we okay
very satisfied
against a bro Alan Nom Canada Japan showdown you are satisfied.
I'm generally satisfied.
I see.
I'm generally satisfied. I said at the end I got to about 920 people and I got to about infractions are involving me and out of 920 because I'm satisfied. As I'm like my master sanka be because 95% successful. What you say? Until I make us say generally be satisfied. But me can say me completely satisfied because
Akoma FM 87.9
prevented. For instance, me make otwaba. Send here Alan Crofo omo ekojina take. Say Chemi Zabos neighbor mo nhuru no.
Were you heckled?
Yes, I was. But I decided I ignored it.
By Alan Crofo?
Yes, I ignored it. So okase confront omo a. But I ignored it because I thought that the omo it was from a completely ignorant position. I didn't think I make us masa me be krum ha ena senia mo ma force me say me mra ha ma betra ma nim you also obedient servant to anyone sana mo sister station back abusuya kojo mafu ono so no free me as in station me ma ho na da me ba no da me be kuma me be ba na 87.9 Kumasi itu kwa kakra na ka na be du Ghana me be Kumasi da sei nti me ba de hia me ba ho ena me ko ho ikodi nkomo bebre se ne oni me di nkomo die no mu no ena kojo ebisa amasem se yenua ba ko ono so yo bi odi ala na chi den ye fe ne Hildado na formally no ye kwada so mpia ena o ka chem se o Hilda abaho no interview no oni di nkomo no Hilda na kan se abai betu no August 26th special delegates conference no say yato na se nipa baako enya wanche bo be adu Kumasi ana adu kunu numu a ono de enka ogidi se omo ayaka no ka omo emfro omo ho ini omo nkomo na nka omo pull out.
Okay,
that was kojuma afo and we bisa me say na madwen ye me say na me say kojo party ni wo ye constitution ne say nipa na bro enuma se ne we omo ye du no yen ko so so ni yin emunum ne munum no ye ne yen fo monko abato a we anim no ene ne program say e 26 na be November 4th no
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
na se be ye adwuma dia ye se enan no nyina enya ntiase
se ye mamba ko na wadi kan nko
bia na ba ko na hure die nimu pa bi na mempo meka se me giri se nationwide no do be die nimu no with menya be 70% na odi animu sa na se ayi omo ekase mo manakwa fair and fine na emum no se nipa nan na aka de obedi animu no ena na bedi nechi no se bia emum yensa kase omo beti ase ne ba ko kase won ti ase ya
87.9 Kumasi
round no because any constitution e chire so ntina me kase we must follow the constitution and I make say in any event the constitution has to njen dia na ya address the principle no one year work and bia obinya huge figure 90-95% mayentoa. Why is she talking about 90%, 95%, and not maybe 70%?
Okay,
because obinya 70% nipa du e kwa chade wa ha
no bianya
70% or hanche mo duoso o ma aka no 30%. And now it means that nipa kono wo an assailable lead
87.9 Kumasi
asma me kai no. It did not in any way mean that me na me so justice obinya 70% yento
yeah man unko
eno na ekoto abrante bi ho ye say e friend no Isaac and say me fi ho no de ekoto social media say me say obinya 70% yento so
and already a rezi mabufu by
yes,
but baumia percentage we nya Well, 70%. Considering the big weights, our Ghana, ha, Munina, Mudi, actually, and your mama. Asante region, or call him, I think about 97 thereabout.
82%.
Yeah, 82% in the region.
Yes.
Utiala and Kofi.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Kwame pa mo Asante memwa. Mo mama Asante hu hia mo. Na corner of East am 100%.
As far as I'm concerned, it's a very irresponsible statement.
Collins also among
it's a very irresponsible statement. Your politics, you're a tribe.
There's some mama Asante.
You're a religion. Masa, political party, we all from various places, ethnic backgrounds, religious backgrounds, social backgrounds, bound together by what is called ideology. Na ebe form UPA.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Omo ankase omo penny and na dombu no eni UP nanim. They surrendered the leadership to Professor Buzia. Now Muslims in here. Please, mama yem fanko. Mama yem fanko.
That's more betrayal.
Oh,
that's what they are saying.
Say betrayal. I
mean, he's your man. You say Asante as it is here.
Mope. Allah nkuni fi Asante region. Who's every year? Who's Asante region?
Yes.
And is it the betrayal for who's every year?
Dr. Preku, 87.9.
I don't know. Monka say betray.
Obviously, Adenimo.
I don't know. Adenimo. I don't know. Say betray Adenimo. You betray Preku. You betray who's every year. Now we say Allah nkuni you betray no.
Yes, region mumpe number 1. Name mumpe number 2.
Oh, masa.
I don't know. So these are the things concerns. For raise I say you are betraying the region that command the party.
And are you saying, say, forever and ever, there be a presidential candidate of MPP should come from Ashanti? Those people, are they saying, say, because party now who are in power, Ashanti region, forever and ever, the party's presidential candidate should always come from Ashanti region? Is that their thinking? Is that their rationalization? So, I don't think any objective person in the party.
Ebekasa. Leader, is it the fact?
You are party there. You are looking at the competence of the person. You are looking at the focus of the person. You are looking at the vision of the person. You are looking at the image, the resonance. In other words, the acceptability of that person by all other regions. Ashanti region, whoever we support, we cannot. We need every support from everywhere to help us. MPP, Yankasa Yahoding, Enko Krambono, Entiminfa, ye candidate, Enko Jubilee House. You always need
others,
floating voters to support you. And he said, Nipana Ofano, also would drain when what you say? You are looking at the humility of your person, apart from the competence and abilities, no? You are looking at the humility of the person. You are looking at Nipakrono, say,
Akoma FM
amount for the personal relations with people.
And Dr. Baumia is the best.
I think, as far as I'm concerned, he's the best.
Can I Japan surprise you?
Oh, what surprising means unsurprising me. See, Ken, for better for worse. Onwa ni network or the communication network or Ubakumasi Ash FM, and cry Oman FM, and the can hold the two. Emano, a very leverage platform.
Okay.
And if you like, a head start over anybody of
competition
because they be out or Kasankro or Mutinenga. And some people judge him by that.
Okay.
And some are all cano. Hey, nipa bebre ejin some are all cano deeper. Oh, can you cano cry? And we say, you be deeper.
Now, when
you say, oh. Me meje nsema wo kan bidi meje bidi no kwasem meje bidi
se bi o ho so
e bi o ha menyini
de he na agidi de he na
oh also sometimes we make us the same way say many penny for Biakoka.
Okay.
Almost say as a woman menka.
Aye.
Sometimes it be a minute not trust it. Maybe or the same year president we dey say it. What
so one way he will be a bad president. No, but the president who did not come to say no, they have a trouble. Now when our secret will be out.
Draw that conclusion.
No, but
draw that conclusion.
Leader, president, and I know try to make keep secret.
Not wrong.
No, be leader. Also in the castle, I'm
saying
like Babette free.
Me say, Ebia, wako ho asem bi.
Yeah.
And they have too many.
Okay. No, what bonano so we dey train menka.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi. Akoma FM 87.9
Me mpeni boni sema menka na we dey mete ho kakra.
Yeah.
We hear no na enti ho no na akoda ne nsem bebre. But I'm saying that maybe he intends it to be well intentioned. Nanso we hear no na
from all the platform, we have an approach, any the masses, the down party for grassroots for now, they appear to love him. When you need say MPP and here, Kennedy will come and lead my party as a flag bearer.
I don't think so.
A very young man.
So I work on. What's it say? MPP and here.
Yes.
Where be?
Yes.
Akoma FM.
Because no, I'm saying one here because
MPP and here. Leader.
Because argument and I'm for Ken. The elite ekoto sabe are not for Ken. But who the headquarters crowd do over 30.
You see, headquarters
about 30 of them.
Oh, please. Party Musa.
Sir.
Don't forget, say, diasporans, no. I want to know better about.
Oh, okay.
Was you? Came from a lot of them diasporans, and a lot of them came from USA.
Okay.
What do you say?
Okay.
I'm not saying
yeah.
87.9. You could see, say it was a misspot.
Oh.
Inti emfa nkoshe se bia national executives na koto abamano emfa nkoshe omo.
Inti vote in free national executives.
I've not said so because say we be vote a secret.
We be vote.
I'm just saying say don't draw hasty conclusions. But having said that, you see, asma nkrofo bi kika be na woka say na elite na to abamano. Who is the elite? Many of them are MPs.
Okay.
Many of them are constituency chairman.
Yeah.
Yeah. Constituency chairman, I'll tell you, over close to 70%. Almost several party as chairman and secretary. And my rise be chairman.
Okay.
How many grassroots people?
Yeah.
Who are what we are grassroots channel? The MPs in Bebre are serving some capacities. Be a constituency secretaries.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Take a person like McMenu. Yeah. National chairman.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah.
Now we started as polling station. And the bar region. And I feel be a regional chairman and some about national. Remember come say hey FF2 obey a regional chairman.
Yeah.
No ye a Bantama constituency, no ye treasurer.
Yeah.
And Sana or the Ba region. What you say? And he who ye grassroots person general. Those of them are Mocasano, wouldn't you say? He be able to say, oh, and a number no more 918, almost 920.
Yeah.
Oh, my bet over 200,000. Now, in terms of percentage, about 0.04%. 0.4%. Inti number no sample base no swa. Inti won't mean fan koto friends saying over 200,000. And inti no you can't draw conclusions. It's it's an absurdity of the highest order.
Oh really?
Yes.
That is serious.
It is serious. Absurd. Why?
Akoma FM
920. What percentage of the 200 over 200,000 is 920? And then say about 0.4%. Almost 0.5, almost 1/2. What do you say? Into almost this. Masa, Ghana, how much to buy saying? 80 million.
Ghana but is about 80 million.
80 million. Opinion pool ben ye survey ben ye about the outcome of an impending election. Ghana ha, who may involve more than 5,000 people. You cannot involve 10,000 people. At the sample basis, we are selected.
Akoma FM 87.9.
And they are judging, and as I predicted the outcome of
the
election
entire
involving
general
18
election.
million.
Okay.
What percentage of 18 million is 5,000?
And the own fairness a percentage of Dr. Baumia.
It is about 0.002%.
Yes, that is the general election sample size scenario.
0.002 no. Ujidi say a good research, a good opinion pool. The outcome no be now we are here 0.4 no there was when
but let me tell you, Dr. Akoma Bekacho said Dr. Baumia do because he paid more money.
87.9 Kumasi.
That's what it was the highest bidder.
Ninyina so saying
that he paid.
Ninyina so saying
I take from 50,000. Hudson Adoye say a team of tap betna headquarters wa utio bi betu anu atua $5,000.
5,000.
Yes. Hudson Adoye.
Yeah. I'm not privy to that fact.
Asante region.
Say,
yes, from 20,000, 5,000. People paid, and that was it.
People paid 5,000, 20,000.
Yes.
And almost say 20,000 na why no. Dr. Baumia tu asa.
Yes.
Na
Akoma FM 87.9.
These things we don't even need to, glorify it by discussing it here. Masa, asama wunni ho dance no. You don't give yourself the opportunity because you have a microphone before you say and discuss it. When there's no evidence. People say no, but you are not doing justice to your listeners.
I know, but some of these things we are clear because I mean when I'm coordinating.
I mean can be
okay.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Okay.
If you be ho. And now a friend me no ka say o we chairman be.
Okay.
And maybe say now we are chairman na me no bisa me. And bisa say we ni nipa kro no me kasa no. O say an nipa kro no me kasa. I'm say when on kasa no bo me din.
Okay.
And I'm say when is o pe sa chairman no bo nipa kro din. I'm say nipa kro no. Contestant be. And say contestant no so o person na me kasa. Just say the fa wo nipa kro na me no kasa ya minim wo so no me kasa.
Okay.
And I'm sure that can say
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Matese say nipa no echiche skebi o chiche sei.
Okay.
And also there be the can the news na say na dey ma.
Oh.
So wrong you na ba me.
So what is I'm not speculating.
I'm saying say omo me ma ayi shentiade. But shentiade am de ma ni nsan ni bese a woni mangofo no. Yes. I must admit to say ebia ni nyina anyepe ebia obi be ma ne
betua bi achi
obi be ma nsanfo obi be ma whiskey what you say but ni nyina ye shentiade
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
uko ni fie unim se ni ba ko ni sikani na uko pekro no abo uko ye no wenya de woni da so no wenya na uko nya kakra bia ebu akromfo
amoyu kromfo ba no enya bi nkwansi just cross here but
enti de me nua de me pesa me chese sa enya ka because unia dance omu a o megina ho me ka se we ne we kutua we che we ubisa amakomba menye sure say obetima ka che say bia we ma 1000 anyway me wa dance say we tua 1000 we tua 500 we tua 200 I'm not sure so obetima ka sa it's all about speculation.
Unfortunately, many were interview from bare 9 o'clock going, but where's petition on the 4th? Why not did you say Obi winning and
my expectation is that nothing is going to change.
Dr. Baumiana.
And I believe that he's going to win by a bigger margin than what he achieved.
Than 60?
Yes.
80
Yes.
We are sure.
Extremely, very, very sure.
Wow.
Yes. Why? Because hwɛ bɛwomia deɛ ɔbɛyɛ na Ashanti region ha we move from constituency to constituency no ɔde ɔhyɛ ase wɔ Greater Accra ɛna ɔde ba ha
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi Central region ɔno ni 3 northern regions no yes sir it is all 3 northern regions Ashanti Greater Accra Eastern Central or 7 regions
okay
9 regions went to me alcohol.
Oh really?
Yes, 9 regions went to me alcohol. I fain what call those regions.
I see.
I'll tell you say I have any Buno any Buno East 3 days before Dr. Baumia 3 days before
87.9
Kumasi. He met just the special delegates.
Oh, I see.
He met the special delegates at one center, all of them, and appealed to them. Say, "Omomuano, omonkaino." Na kanansa amiato abano. Oko Oti region the same thing. Oko Water region the same thing. Western North the same thing. Upper East, Upper West the same thing. When to me uncle, I fain over TSC Mwako, sa 9 regions.
To bet me I'll push you more.
I have no doubt in my mind.
With your prediction, you hear what
no
happens. But
mind.
2 more issues are not my reliable, but Swami interchange.
Akoma FM 87.9
Ebe baso ana yeguso.
Yeguso. So who say Mashas here?
Ekwan no mo claim na they are coming back.
So who come back? Who come back? Ugo ni bakona ono wote hono. Oto na de. Ena okutu no. Okutu no. Ade chinye. Ono office obetu ndi ache obehase ye kwan no ano no. Grade bi si grade amesi ho. Ono so fi se ɛhɔ no onyana no aduane ɛne ma menkonkon ha na sɛ grade no ba na masan atwe me ho nti that is it. It doesn't mean sɛ aban no agyae nea ɔyɛ no nti aban no bɛkɔ so na wadi ɔmɔdi sɛ
leader ɛde na ma
Swami 87.9
Swami edile kwan no run about no.
Oh,
what is the problem?
The problem is maybe the economy ni ko duye no kwasem we had to engage the IMF any World Bank omo necessary omo so yasen a omo pagya yen omo so yimu ama yetimi apagya yen ho biu so ame interchange no na aban akọ ye arrangement for business no ama the agreement the loan agreement number parliament parliament so ratify agreement no ya pene so
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
oman ode ma wo no say your capacity and ability to pay no akofom the IMF will have some bibia the IMF will have to give you what is called a clean bill of health say I don't know this kind of mama and I say okojiske fi amanonia ubetimi atua nti donors ne bilateral partners ne nyina no obi a twen the IMF no beka finally
okay
nti na mo twentwen mo na ase no nti sika no ankasa eje fi ho de abe ekwan no emai but anam se ne make de make 87.9 kuma ne ti ayi ne se na yakoji sika bia na dua kariya odi fi kuma se ha
yeah
konkran no kuma se de ya kosi adwoso no so ena akoba se nanke ye toaso e de akosi konongo na sai sika no anke de betoaso akoko no no ena aban ye se de bi konongo kwa se betimi ya chemu no ya dualize na kosi konongo no ehia na se si apa de ehia se wo se 200 na mo se si ano ye so am interchange no
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
sika no bi and yakoyi mu $75 million I de be ye so amede no so am interchange no nti menua nti na meka say 75 million enso so am interchange no
yeah
but ye de no sha ase na ekwamujo na say ensaka scanner ke de be original scanner de be so amede na e say ye yi 75 no e de akoto ba bia
leader me kai say this is the third time I'm in your interview
right
back on ye share wo fie
right
back on so ba here
Akoma FM 87.9
on the 22nd of August 2022 na parliament mo approve about 156 million 1564 billion for the 3 project ana swame account. The money was set per parliament communication by what happens say watch it say because funders no now more share IMF. Is it that scanner ma anase say
I don't want to make a way. So now I won't say negotiations for the loan. Then ye was me and
Akoma FM 87.9
way back in 2020.
Okay.
The culmination was near Oka, say about was it 2021 or 2022?
2022.
2022.
Yes.
And we was but 2022 no na Salmon also yeah but ne IMF for no ashe nkomodi na se. So and it be ura December mu. So until any man nkofo no bugina ye. Say
it is kanama.
It is canon and my agreement in the we assign BBA.
Okay. But scanning
yama. It didn't make a was say. Just say
Akoma FM 87.9
no moody. Say I'm for no ye was a woman mama.
Okay.
Auntie omo wie no maka say the Ghana. Baby modru no. Omo ehun niam betima so mo akwanko. Afi ansa na sika na omo je fi wo no. Afi de betimi de ama wo mo. Yeah, IMF we can guarantee say what is kind of meet me to yaka. So
contractors they move to site ekoye clearing near there no. Now what was the money and how they started signing money now?
Yes, I can say na won tie me crowd.
Me tie pa but me pay more clarity.
Me say. Sika no.
Yeah.
We my no.
But the I had 74. Okay.
Then ye ko yi mu 75.
75. I had
abe swami de no. What is it? I don't know what's the mechanic.
Yeah.
A part of a bigger year. Yeah. I don't know. I think it's close to 600 million. 607, almost 700 million. Na konongo tranche no. At the end about 150 million.
Okay.
You 75.
And the babe started.
Ebe started. I had it.
Unsuru say Asante region. You started project biani ni clear cut funding. Yes, but after 74, no, now we are not likely to have quick approval.
75.
A 75 for no the because we are where GOG funding on Pendera Kofo, and then you that's Sugusu Afini, you do a Buaka
GOG.
Okay.
We need GOG funding.
Meaning saying GOG funding.
Yes.
But we are getting other source. But me worry, there be a Asante region, government be and then a tema. Na project ne babe start. If you know, continuation becomes a problem.
No, of course. Me know what you say.
Yes.
Projects be
Akoma FM 87.9.
Depending on government Ghana, no, ya needing
a problem.
But wait there, any GOG. My catch now say we any government of Ghana, a foreign loan yako contract.
Yeah.
Nini no nyina ene konongo de ni nyina no
as the way ye gi we sika kakra ene de start
de yi konongo de ni mu bi
75
ene de ba so ame ho de no so to begin so ame de no say na ye two phases the work na amount na boy no boy just the first phase so
yeah
I know ye the 1 and 2 the ground and the second tier
yeah Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
na nka they approve you no
okay
omo ehya ase a na nke no so ba senia ye wo tema
de
no ye first two no wie ansa na Japanese no the second tranche no ba afinom de ahye enwase.
The last time we share our studio I think we had this
so I mean interchange ni ye share ase no na nke 3 tier subsequently na ye modify no so ye be 4 tier the 4 tier no the concept exists bukuase but you should translate it to swame say here for na wings no be fifa nti na e was say nkrofo na omo ye studies no ye ma omo go ahead no omo ye omo be ye no omo be ye major interchange ohun stills no columns
yeah
Akoma FM
nti na fe na also koye soil testing ni ma nyina o say ma sa nkrofo nkurɔfoɔ no ɛkwan no bɛyɛ na aban committee wɔn to do it no wɔn pɛ sɛ wɔde sika wakɔyɛ na ɔkɔyɛ na sɛ wɔamfa project no ama no a ɔbɛyɛ dɛ nyame adom sesei na yɛwie saa discussions no nyinaa ama nea ɔbɛyɛ no contractor ɔmo a meyɛ Kumase KJT ɔmo yɛ airport no wɔn na yɛde saa de no ahyɛ wɔn nsa fan sɛ nti bɛyɛ bosome ni ɛna mpanimfoɔ no ɛbaeɛ a mene ɔmo di ho
Akoma FM
sɛ yɛyɛ ɛboa wɔn wɔ road ministry ɛne finance ministry nano last week grand sana make South Africa many finance minister kwasa contract on that same thing.
Leader contractor na project. Contractor and a project. That's Brazilian company now.
Yeah.
Or more is the contractor US or contractor Brazil? UK.
Contractor no parent no
Brazil.
Oh Brazil.
Yeah.
In fact, Nansane kra omo country representative no. Me no ofre me.
Okay.
Ema me kasai. Yɛde ancillary roads no
aka
ancillary roads no na contractor no de ama Rango.
Okay.
And the Rango na yɛ saa ancillary roads no but the main if I say interchange ne deɛ contractor and
but say contractor na ɛgya central market
87.9 Kumasi
sɛ ne nyinaa yɛ funding ya make am wasɛm ɛne airport ne nyinaa yes because I've told you say you see my economy ne could do baby. Now if you have to involve the IMF to resuscitate the economy biwa our implications implication is a obi a ono okoje bitin free no ho say IMF no bibia wie say na mekan no of kasa mu omo ama clean bill of health say ade no obeti baby odo no obeti me tua besi a ode ma no no asane ba kono this can be
Akoma FM 87.9
kana we in tranches on nti baby akodo no hold on yenini anase ono be hold on woni ni wi a ode aka na be so ano na ama saa ni ma no ba no is the reason why I me for no cry catch say e be edo no yenia domestic revenue no yen hwe say betimi ye improve domestic revenue mobilization
so
nti yes sir so I'm around about so I'm interchange no go anaka even let's face it akwan hodo ayi no man mu
ye jai bebre
on say bebre in fact most of them
especially Sino Hydro project do ni na
most of them
ye jai
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
because omo was here the domestic revenue support home crab
the
good thing however is that through the implementation of digitalization this year nkwano sika budget no mu na ye envisage say e benya no ya me adom bibi bakakra
okay
ama I think half year the expectation is by June ending no benya a minimum of 3 billion
okay
so if follows we are hoping say afinu kwa wie no benya be 7 billion
Akoma FM
local contractors they don't make 12 billion ntina ama obi akọ off no that's the honest situation they say sika na wo benya no wo de bi ma wo mo a so some of them the big time contractors no fortune say Joe shop no to say Kofi Job no omo equipment omo quarries omo asphalt plants no say what in the car be 500 million what in the car 1 billion unye bi ekutua
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
Mr. Teba be adwuma
so all that he needs is to buy cement, buy diesel, pay his workers. You liberate him to go back. So,
me worry kakra ya regi as we speak. Amian kwanta minim so afa so recently. Fantasia kokwanya Kofi Job ko babe mu. The last time we checked, another payer on our news. Man for about 17 people naturally on because kwanya ni bi ho aka afa binum so binum ya started project bebre do government aye bebre wa Asante region but major project ye dey do ko mu a ye ja would you advise so am interchange ye mfrase whilst we are almost ending the 8-year term of Nanado for the ye hu wo offend saying KNUST military teaching hospital. They yehu ewo Sofoli interchange. Like major project yi frase ayenwie. Would you advise? So obekwa kwajo ahome wo swame. Na in traffic swame. Busy area election ti na ye China ekoso inconvenient. 1 year new near ye shortcutting.
Me know ya say we should be worried.
Akoma FM
Nobody's happy with
87.9 Kumasi.
But my catch was a situation no a woman on this Aduanaba. The good thing for us is that those two are what societies is in much was
yeah.
I know they fortunately no a foreign funded.
Okay.
And the end of the domestic revenue depending on. So and once we finish with IMF, a year, is our clean bill of health now.
Yeah.
Who say man be koso den pa.
Dabeng.
Oh, yes, it be said Dabeng.
Yes. Why yes? So I be focusing
because
okay.
On the periodically mobile for review.
Akoma FM 87.9
And I remember
Kumasi.
normally mobile 6 months, half yearly. But in between, no, junior staff, no, be assigned back. So in truth, you know, every year we are quarterly. Every say and some I know I can.
So we are in the last quarter of 2023. We are ending.
We are not in the last quarter of.
And it's September.
What's it?
And it's September. 1st September.
And we are the last quarter.
That's the fourth.
We are the third quarter.
The third quarter.
And yeah, last quarter. Last quarter go into December.
Okay. So emphasize the third quarter.
Akoma FM 87.9.
I don't know, but so I'm for ETR pay. When are they going to see major takeoff?
Oh, I don't know. Make a choice. Say
the interchange.
Interchange, you know. Yeah. I was saying, Shasi. Let me be honest. There's a member kwa na meni minya numukume eka. Sikana na ye kofa. If you kono wodi eni mu no. Parliament ye be break no. Me could see parliament and name wo Indonesia antina also me feel my mu. The adene e ba ye na ye budget di ma finance committee no. Me catch from say omo nkoye na ye nye parliament ye resolution
87.9
Kumasi the yi says kano e free sa source no. E dia be ye so am interchange no. Me koye na me buy no na parliament a break it.
Okay.
Information benya in the finance committee ne ko transfer mo kazo say sika we dey and am say abada nti no administratively about betimi aye no ma ye ne friend environment no we can fi ha ade akwa.
Okay. You wouldn't even need parliament finance committee.
It's not done that way because say one way ya e be ye misapplication we no sika we with the resolution na ko afa we ho. Another resolution.
Now they so misappropriation.
Because misappropriation, but misapplication.
Misapplication.
And that is why I told them, say, yes, sir.
Okay.
What's the matter? I'm catching say, Penny Power, that, where country director for contractor, not framing and something.
Okay.
I don't know, would be something I may change. Muzo, me jama home, and I may buy the same thing, but no, so, and the idea, I may copy him.
I see.
Bank and say, here resolution.
Wow.
So I call who cut is a good man, your resolution. No, so because administratively, bit my no, you can't do it like that. Parliament approval. And unfortunately, no, you be call October 15th.
Wow.
As it is, just say, and I'm a sad way. Just you call October 15th.
And son, I'm waiting me start to cry this.
What I say, what it is that once they have the, you know, say, Omo Ankasan's will music Kakrabia, be 5 million, be a bit more than any. Tinamikacha say, Omo, Skakrabia. They should use it because Parliament is going to do that. We should have done that by a resolution. And the anti die bekono. Okay. The first day beko which is 15th no. The beginning so na ye. Saturday no na every ho.
I see.
I spoke to him. That man is called Mr.
Avangada na.
No.
Avangada.
The country director is called Mr. Saka.
Oh, okay. He for contractor.
Yes, for contractor.
Oh, okay.
Need this uncommon.
15 minutes past now.
We'll do it.
Yes.
Consent.
I am talking about comfort. Bekwai, yes, road. Bekwai road.
And Emia because, and I think we have to fight for the contractor. Because
Kofi Job.
Yes. I don't know about me. Honan in Yabre. Say, as a road minister, and a man the directive so yeah. He tells me say a car wa ball horse say no.
Obi ekwan mpa. It was one of the biggest yeah.
Because ekwan no mo ye no. So we defeat.
It was about 6 lanes.
Interchange ya amobaye wo Santase runabout in Tino.
Akoma FM 87.9
roads they are fanching.
Yeah.
Indeed, aha eye omo de no put na 4 lanes.
Wow.
So 4 here. Let's just say 8 lanes.
It was big.
Indeed, na ma mo koye ne sa no. But the man says that he's committed close to 400 million.
He will.
Ebesi nei ministry na mano ayi say omo koye no. Ministry ni man even commencement letter. Finance minister man commencement letter.
Are they?
That one I don't know. Oh,
I think approval because it's a problem between project like this. A co-parliament mamu approve.
It's a problem between the finance ministry and
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi. Reconcile that because one team contractor
and move to side.
400 million.
Yeah. A quite no mudu any baby clean. I'm on for start sign encroaching.
Makofa na say me free. Na me free. Ehifa. Yeah, try asing.
Okay.
Asing north.
Okay. So you kwa asing na oba.
Me ban me hu say you working. I don't know, you know, obi ye bubu.
Almost start is dining nyina.
Da ye bubu no. Osayeko.
Yes.
Na me dey me ya say oh, such people. It is say
omu wi on ba be compensation. Now we have the same problem as Sokoban. Yes, Sokoban.
Sokoban.
Akoma FM 87.9
Georgia runabout. Also be akoye you say nekra no mubi.
Filling station.
When you know say ye be ye
no but interchange why na approve man no ye wo metro. No but you have been asking. Ye wo care me wo ha to pay the permit one of them ma.
Menka ho nti kobi sa omo a nipa kono ho ma ne permit so.
As we speak
me akoye
no more me say ye jai so am interchange.
Ye be interchange no no aka say nkutu compensation.
And ye be so am interchange. I hojo interchange no.
Yes.
Ye
part of I don't know no.
Sure?
I'm telling you. And then Santase interchange the same funding source from Spain.
I hojo interchange beba so.
I'm telling you.
With that filling station.
Sadina ye no. A ring road I fa Kumasi ho. Wo sha say free. Awuraga junction. Wo say Awuraga junction tin dey kotu wo mo no.
Ain.
Carpenter for ho din dey kotu wo mo.
Na nya dey say abrosan so nchem ho.
Wonim say ho ye. You see, yes so ni ma bi so. Wonim say be interchange ho. Anything na ye tu carpenter for no. What for chire akoje whoever gave him the permit to do that.
Assembly no KMA. So I mean the I want you they say under some time.
So me sana
I want you ask my making.
Yes. Yeah. Because radio so several times catch microphone on me say once I didn't know no. For as long as I remain the member of parliament for Swami no. I don't know when I catch say jai. Ura no me friend be fie me ne kan say I didn't know no. Wo koso ya you do honor say me make us into compensation.
Leader,
he went ahead and did it.
When you say sa na we nyina ma nipa ka se Kumasi mpanimfo a mudi enanim. Etoda mubu manigu niam bebre so. No, you may be out of it, but your assembly mayor EP ama permit. Nobody means will be able to make run about kesi we so wabra will be ama permit.
That's the point that we have to. Okay? Okay, me am constituency. You see a dual carriage. Dual carriage na you know. Say na udu chronoma. It was supposed to be 3 lanes.
Yeah.
And unless you can no 2 lanes. A dana ebubu awon cheni nyina. Ya ma compensation.
Okay.
What you will? Abana ka so can you say for the time being 2 lanes.
Almost start here.
Ya be ye no. Omo bubu omo da masa kia.
Akoma FM 87.
Edu hono say abana say ye cut 3 lanes ni bia. O san be just ma compensation.
Another say Mr. Bonsu.
Discipline in our national life no.
Too much. Just too much. I think our laws are not working. Our leaders are sitting down there sleeping. Because no would have one night but say geni pa ujana leader ni pa ujana de mpe bia me ba mra na anya adwuma you leader will not be sleeping but the assembly leaders are failing us anyway
some of them
leader swame wo so nkobiem what next after 2024 for you we could be a consultancy and I'll be vice for presidency, and you'll be vice president by then. Mami, congratulate you in advance
for the
vice president.
Leader.
Oh, Ampo.
No, I'm telling you, I say you are creating unnecessary pressure.
Pressure?
Yes. You are creating unnecessary pressure. Me.
Yes, leader, a vice president.
Me gidi say, Dr. Bawumia be winning abaye to no.
Okay.
And yes, me person me running mate to him jina me. And na running mate no. Wasa, ye party. Ye ba 1992. Professor
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Pepini bi da gombe ni me friend Roland Isifu Alasan. Ara Alasan, one of our running mate. Me gidi say one of the reasons why Ofa Ara Alasan running mate was near ye akukudro nya ye ko bie dankwa buzia club Otamale.
Okay.
Sa dano na Rollins abaho ebe commission the relay station Tamale.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ko launch dankwa buzia club Otamale.
Okay.
Parody ko ni fie we or ko ni fie ko my big reception.
I see.
So many of us who went from the south to the place. He accommodated all of us. Now some know the culture of silence will move. He stuck his neck out. Me is another account my do by no running mate. Kufo ba ya Kofa Aliyu Mahama send running mate. A lot of people didn't know Aliyu Mahama. They knew him in football circles, but he knew Aliyu Mahama as
in
a
political, yeah.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I'm for assessing no. Because you home from Swabia. He's a gentleman or a businessman, a contractor.
Akoma FM 87.9
party tickets. And what the man. Ekufado. Ekofa. Bawumia. After 2007, Kiki can so.
Yeah.
Nipani binam kremofo regional chiefs imams so lobby womo yenkebi ma womo ne maniema ankusi hwe. Akufado akofa Bawumia bae no. Not too many people knew Bawumia. Because ye call national councillor obo ni din.
Okay.
Nipa miensa that day ene ekasama Dr. Bawumia. It was the late
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And all ka emwa no nye fini ho. So mo ko Washington. Akwa discussions with the World Bank. Emwa no munya ifi Dr. Bawumia ho. Safmafu was the immediate past finance minister.
Yeah.
Safmafu also spoke eloquently for Dr. Bawumia. So on so mwa no nye fini ho. Safmafu time body no ye special assistant to Dr. Paul Akwa.
Yeah.
Anway governor. But we do time you know be deputy governor.
Okay.
Even me no kasa wie no. President Kofi na de toso. And ma edem ho ye din because then nipa bebre ko no bi anim ba. E kasa ade chinye kura mbu no ani din ba ye no. Chronicle you show story bi say bawuhu. What you say? The caption was bawuhu.
Yeah.
What you say? But we all appreciated the testimony na free side parliament ediaba. The point I'm making is that running mate contest be anymore. Ye jai ni bakona ye no as the candidate no. Ono akotra say an assessment. And who say be any person me fa no a. Ono bit ma compliment me ticket. I remember Bawumia eba. Bawumia no anka say eba. I didn't buy a 2008
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Honestly, me, I was not impressed by the performance of Bawumia at the time.
I see.
Until but 2012, no. Some Benami a minority leader when Akufo-Addo had been elected. I'm in a trance, you know. Me make a chance say, Bawumia when Timia had much value to will take it no. Any performance. Think yes, son. And me no obisa. I'm saying a man from Kaisa Asem no. I was at the time opting for Ambrose Derry, who was my deputy.
Yeah.
Deputy minority leader. Didn't make a son. I'm so
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
the guy for no we the gumba for in the north almost do so pa in terms of say ono be bring a bigger constituency in terms of experience samre no na me say Ambrose enya
higher experience
wa be Upper West regional minister wa ba be Minister of State at the Minister of Justice Attorney General Department wa yedwuma wo ho ya also become a member of parliament na me say in terms of youthfulness and so onyini pi na me say we compliment Akufo-Addo ticket. Those are the things that I said. And
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yankwadwene ho. Adechi ayenhia. Adechi yen na yakuhia ye no. And also the na samitu. O kacha me say enra no. You almost convinced me.
I see.
But me so madwin. One yen party we go up north. Say be compliment the ticket no. One it's not for nothing tin yakoho. Ideally no say obenye obi a Muslim. Sadness no you first say Christians. Ideally obenye obi a Muslim like a compliment the ticket no. I'm a Christian, is a Muslim. Me a lawyer. Ambrose now can I say I'm also a lawyer. In terms of complementarity.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
The big problems in this country, you know, rule of
economic
law and the economy. And he spoke about that. He spoke about the fact that we much more useful, and he spoke about the fact that young man they are engaging in the focus.
Oh.
And finally, I say, nipa na mafano no. Wanya me boni o.
Okay.
And he can
just drop in
Ghana, Deputy Governor I'm quoting Akufo-Addo. I say even though he had his eyes open.
Okay.
When I nominated him no. Knowing say politics no with me you could either
go
in or lose. He had his eyes open. No but wanya me boni. I'm hearing anymore say madam po misa ko feni pa bufro.
It will not be the best.
I want to say, Mr. President, I think I should concede.
I see.
And I say repeating boy. The point I'm making is that nobody has foisted any running mate on anybody.
Okay.
Indeed, Mr. Mo, Mama Yanko Yinipano.
Now the ono penal.
Then you know be assess the situation. No.
Okay.
It's only James I would is on the dear, but
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Edi de bebre Asante region. Yesi adutwum. Wo Matthew Poku Prempe and who else? Yes, that's the chief of staff also. Yes, the chief of staff also.
I have never discussed.
Okay.
A friend say maybe running mate with
okay me. Leader I need to wrap up with senior brother meaning I think say meneno so interview but why not do a chija no so me na te say sampine ba ma te say wa wolf oba Maxwell and couple of others why not do a chija
87.9
eso jawachi.
First of all just let me say say nipa bebre na ampesa moba. But there are some of them who are in touch with the constituents.
Okay.
Some of them are almost daily communication with the people.
Okay.
Some of them are well positioned, say kakra, and nam yeso abi pie hono. Bambitimi abetuaso. Some of them are ebeba many nam nipa so.
Okay.
Nam ye bibia amde ahon brase.
Ebeye.
Eni ebuo be manipa.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Sabi omumu nipa.
Okay.
Ano de se mi hu obi sa wo mu a me try say nipa kono. Amanfo enko fa say nipa ne ma.
I see.
O meye adesoa. O ema so amefo. Nti that is all that I can say.
I think you're so wife and so baby. First lady. And first lady. Some fine man so I think it's also.
The wife
it's also papa.
To philanthropy.
Yes.
Na o ye niema de boa o yi foundation.
Yes.
Or de boa not only the constituency, so many places are Koko.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Kumasi prison.
Yeah.
Emma last year a prison officers no can say no be your they pleaded with us no be your uncle you be on some prison.
Okay.
The last year on some prison. I'm saying man all year have screening all year.
The community are calling her.
A young crofo be say
Oba.
If you also be D
So I'm an MP.
MP it's nothing to do with that.
Oh, I see. Into Baby.
Nothing.
Okay.
But me say any party pressure. Me even the last year me kweno. Nanka o say me.
Oh, I see.
You have more time
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
It was not meant to supplant me in any way.
I see.
Minko na umra. Enti enye no kre. Minko foki can say.
First lady ever. So by him leader, Anope, I am more than grateful. And we wish to have you open some consultancy firm, Ghana for parliamentary knowledge, because we don't have those things. The knowledge,
say what this application
of course.
Dr. Makuma.
Doctor, over to you. Take over the microphone. If you are the person commenting with you about your uncle here. Dog.
And I know now, many news for flight to conquer.
Oh, okay.
What's he show?
I'm not ready now. Conquer me. Oh, I see. Now, leader, as a doctor, the more you move. Oh, yeah, campaign, as a post a mamma, mamma, hey. As a one in any year.
Mom pay and train, Yanusu and Trampe.
So,
baby be one.
Doctor, a baby be one vessel. I better know, sir.
I better than
Interesting. That was a Rocher Sechev Sabunsu. It's a very interesting man to talk to. Doctor, I may be one answer. I may wait the answer. Oh, observer, Dr. Akoma Trase, we scheduled to have a 9 o'clock discussion. You ever try a time to say CD Kakra in there? I am faster than Danny Heba and Trading Center, Oma Boying, Pacho, Danny Tone, Sanso, and Danny Heba Mister. Say, Nipeduano, quite beer, yo, ya, why am I, Bema, why am I on Pomo, we hear be. Now, moi, we are drivers of Fum no Kofuno, a galamsey 4 bar. Danny Heba ointment before you chew bo 222 boom say a boa na heat no e de yaresa ebrom pacho bomadian so be free 0244 364651 0244 364651 be pacho na men kaya tie no pay say Empire Super Concrete Blocks and Quality Roofing Sheet ya bow down so man ya pes ye blocks a udibisi dan no men fa ba bia me na eni Kumasi had dear, me pacho the kind of number answer. Oh, per blocks, hollow blocks and a solid blocks, 6 inches, 5 inches, road cabinet, tiles blocks, 0271 144444, 0271 144444, and 0208 396424. Me pacho Provident Healthcare, Semen Kancho say, free ne, more winyan call to Americana Cosisia, wo aswanse. St. Teresa's Catholic Church wo anope no nso no mu bie ye free the pacho obi a wutie ma no pay tumirika wo de okwa so go via Asante se mu ye screening enye doctor bi me fa ne nsansi wani asem fefe nka se asa wo ye nya malaria da bi udu hwa ye du wura machine mu na machine na scanning the pedua na yi wu internal organs ni nya to na akere se duro we yare we wi ana anu prescribe duro ubenya scan wa to bi wo wunya scan ro trauma what 20 pacho will be uncle Sia no pamena woka say asthma, pressure, malaria, typhoid, prostate, pamu yade and answer honamani coach nyina no bomodena for any chiro Agugu station ho opposite Ghana Commercial Bank opposite Krobo fitting station ho Bugoso Agugu station on Konongo 0248 422864 na yetimi aboa na bibia nso atimi akoso ye wi a ensu ayenom ye Z natural mineral water baby awo bi atobi nanom uto aton so a ebeboa obidi black man and pay good morning bomode na je Z natural mineral water 0244 620294 na bibia akoso ne yede eye fie no asiesie ho Alaska Star Enterprise wallpapers design kama obi amoboden so do ani be Alaska Star Enterprise na yem wow na type bia upebia bed sheet, blank curtains, original curtain, TV strip, opposite chemicals, and a wallpapers design in Adum, Mesa Roche Plaza 0554 114 na yetimi abo. Doctor, anopay koma bibra ye di ne chairman sabunsu. Kuma se project so am touching just a train kakra.
Oh, ni see a train kra. Me makada da say nyese bia me politician me pay vote.
Yeah.
E catch you say anya dey wo say ye ni kuma se touching. Nya dey wo say we so me ho. Aya afachiri ho kakra abohu kwa.
Akoma FM
87.9 mantemu kwa. Untimi mfa so. Adentin ne yenye no ansa na edisika kese na ko okay interchange ne ye ra about ho wi a. How far be ko better tafo. And I say Kosi magazines.
I see why. Be she why.
Not just in Pacho, not just I know some Yansan pen. Yansan pen pan a woman to say, Peter for never wanting a year show or now said.
So would they in general now cry?
No,
you agree with it?
No, I don't agree.
Emphasis scanning ye.
Say, Kumasa crying out. Look. So I'm right about it. It's my very simple and cost any much money.
Okay.
That's why if you grow from back. Oba oh now right lane. Cause I want to when you mean that's all they never evidence. Well, outer lane, oh, caught tough.
Okay. Can one so do her no branch? Oh, my trying to touch it. You know,
can't be. Who do I know for her now? Nakase. Can I say a cousin? Cast I can say. What do I say? Yeah, I dare you know, say, I said, say, no more to move the view into me. Because when you say, I quite in our say, as he has interjected. Oh, no, because if the more, yeah, no, and I say,
87.9.
What I say, we have great needs. What I say, now, teach now, I interchange you, so me interchange, why? So me,
so interchange is not even our priority.
It's not important. They here say be ya car Kumasi to Accra double lane.
Yeah.
Na cars in nam so go straight dentem their name choir
their name Amansie Bania their day.
Ya nyani abia no wa ye can't. Say say about them.
Oh.
They here no yenka there interchange in here. Eba ko tan dey twafoto we no yire da mo wale anuma kujina soro mo feature na
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Aban enye sa aban tie nkofo ano keke voters ano keke no ma oye de opa mamo aban no wo se wo dwene yie mamo se mo to mbo ase me mo kan mate ase na mo se ni we ehia chen we ti mo mi enye we first o te se wo ya no wa ye kwan no bibia yie school nsem hwan na koyi a after you building to check, what did the honorable kind? What's it sassy candidate? And your government of Ghana.
Yeah.
No more Yako Bob Bussian will baby. Now, why not betray us, Abusianica? Part two.
Government of Ghana?
It is Ghana, government of Ghana.
87.9.
This is the attitude. Oh, you're not funding that. I see so two whom be nature, Bobiase, no cover by it. Akoma Bussian, Ubetiaka, Untimintia, none other form team. Most of the no one de cosa. Cobobusiambe, Cobob San to now. Or man intimini. If you continue like that, any Obiani who I won your mapia was all ye. I bet my cunning in our bomatos now in the United Center. We in a kakra. We will prioritize the hinny here by any no. If you are a man for Yansu no more, Garam say, Kunya you, eh. Interchange.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
You wait me do a fraction of Sassicana 87.9 Kumasi. Now you pepe.
Anyam Quanta Santasi contract across a move or site without any contract.
That's what I hear.
And the ministry has not even regularized it.
Well, I'm telling you,
over 400 million US dollars. 400 million is a Ghana city so. That is serious.
I'm telling you, they do that. I'm telling you, I've seen it and I've seen it. And yes, some people they said you see man, as our mom we in charge.
And how you interchange Beba so filling station you know. Are you not worried, doctor?
Oh, me them you worried.
87.9.
Oh, doctor.
What's he? Oh, you young guy. Doctor,
I don't know.
I don't know what he. Was it one man permission?
We see we sampai nom te ho.
Here, one down ya the frontage ni ya the account mo dan. Mo the one aba ka ekwan no ho. Ana ya de we ama obi. Koko bi sia hwe mpanifo mo akra na mo nka ho ya ntimi nya da. I'm telling you. Omo akra no so omo nsan hyase a. Kumase fo nko antimi nye. Ubekọ akohwe na panimpa na ma permission sa mo nye. Ba ko nam santase ana ba fu na krofom. Ehe ne yeko. We for her, no, we are for her. We for her.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
That's because there is no coordination. What I say, or mine, it's almost like Obia and Grim, and of course, I couldn't find all the far. Who found out the far? No one. Who can now show be annoyed.
I heard you say, sir, Dr. Baumia we need because he paid more money. Chairman Sabu said that cannot be right.
Oh, of course, it's right. You paid more money.
Also, evidence way.
That's a fact. And I mean, count. Someone who be some questions and just one more someone can yep.
That was you have no evidence.
When I can say, many radio presenter was many 5,000 cities. We say, Uncle Bisan's evidence on any panagisca. Any panagia.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Now on desk now can say chese or no chese they say we you two agbara gbabina all of a sudden Ghana for MPC ni ho nyina go di na ti ana say aye sika
no so mo penasem
o sa say no ho fa na ni ti na around
say ni ti oh my God! I love talking to my doctor. So I don't ever find anything I around in it.
Maybe I can't say you didn't correct me.
They believe in his ideology.
Oh,
and he's competent.
Now ideology, no, I'm say. But sabi. Ideology, any day. Believe in ideology. What ideology? Munka said 2 years ago, Nana do ne about me ankasa. Munka yana. What was going on? They say they just say you're referring you amnesia. We were on a darling boy, huh? Why? Maybe say I didn't know Nana do near breathing in the opposite about me neighbor. Because Opobia man of chairman. What I say? That's the truth. Opobia obeshe chairman. No be some say na chindia no. Some say na meka. Achacha.
Achacha na wole chiwo. Come on.
Ti obi makata so ma no. What I say? The woman no. Obi aka anything anya no kure. Edru baby ono no mpo nkasa. Vice President President omo nkasa. All of a sudden why no just say the body pa. Yes sir. The day ni see here. Until say o sabi we pani na wo hwade na wo hwe ntra se de uhunu nko na wo ka ho asoma e me kan sem bia ntre o de ase enye nyina ne hunu sa
Akoma
o hwe ne deeper
87.9
identity see ade na yese ade na assistance say ade na assistance anete we de no say de kosa e bia ne so me intelligent o say o say me sambosu de ono ho no a politician and our ma promises are on in it so what I say.
So he doesn't lose
anything. There was one Kobe. Now, Hannah, they said I can pay me my mountain coming so much or friends. Majority leader. They see I won't be. Catching. Say interject, you know, Swami, you say one out. And they say a better crowd road, do a courage. And you bear Swami acquiring in Ian, Jania. And didn't don't go. No doubt, so. Because the other one is interject the other way. You could see fit them one up here, chasing our mobile and as won't you tractor from Pooh? What is the point? What's the point? Say, but oh, I have a power. Nipan fast, so
on anti do see you are not traffic, not start your boiling.
What's she answer for? Sanity. Nothing. And I just say, why? Why do you say? Tafuna traffic gin on the
afford to estimate man pontin
traffic and can yeah in term not traffic na appreciate your meeting we say one as say what is it for Mr. Mupi kuma say for minim say amoka say yesu ehia de matia say nya sa na ebu man e wuchi chem sa anyi de ehia no e na wo say
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
na say ninsu onu we atacha ndi upa say yen ko yen intelligent na san na Akoma ninsu anu man say there be enye ni sa ninsu onu no and we a basic need o se ye hu adwuma sane abaye intelligent se hu no aye kan wodi ni na me die ni yes ye pay de sane ye no yenye ne sa de hine hia first yenye no enyina Ghana for no mo ye kan na ye hwan se akosi tamale
why tamale interchange
na no mpacho se mponchi na nam so ana se nyanya na se
FM 87.9
start we know politics inti eno na ebe no matter am se nye no kre so yes and just say beto abama o
okay
interesa no a ye man ko to bonzo de be ade nyansa bien o dey say nyansa ni why no obe spend ska we nyina wo ha e bitima dey something else na crowd would open da e kuma sine akra fo nkwa nam so the whole country tiani a priority yeah there be share slogans any omo beto amaye na time before you say you hwan na ko say and on man nye say yes and na ya
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
I'm telling you don't say majority they can or say anya abansika ayo obisika na yeko bubusa obisa sa hwan betu aka aban dey abansika yes anete say be cancer dey anya abansika hwan today bia ye de ka bubro intimintia anti ye nyoma ye wa ye ton golden hwan ye ton ye de more than almost 50% ye de interest keke ye de check
so now you going forward the MPP Adenimu now at up to the 4 Omomaya 5. Watch Japan
87.9 Kumasi.
Dr. Baumian led Kennedy Japan. Or surprise you?
And you're surprised. Yeah, sometimes I mean to me. So I'm sure you're crowd can't tell me about what I say. I bet you're controlled by EBF, who's the winner first. Anything. You're controlled by EBF. Naka 5. Who's the winner first? Abaya go to Asante. You go to the OD first. Who bet you can say first, second, third, fourth, 5. Now Omama can. The purpose was to remove Omama can
Enka 5.
And one no. And it's a who needs to kakese. Now ko to Sabaya. And for us can you uncle Busu say Mutuma.
Okay.
The tuma we are you call next run and then walk of few since I was a who
surprise is been our expecting November 4th. Naminya what the history.
Oh, I just say Ukrainian. Their question first of all, I say me teach him. And this will be out 200 meters. Wako running competition now to 200 meters. Moko hit and some almost semi-finals and some maba finals. Okay, wow, I just say we person win here.
Okay,
Moko hit now. What the last in Aguso? There be. What strategic race? What I say. The same with politicians. And fancy can in now campaign with you. No moment, some also did say and Tonka. Maybe you kakra man for whom. Not for two. Now, of course, the next round, so could do see can in our next round now, Nibia and the Wabi. It is only she. And that's how I see it. As long as you qualify, no one will qualify. Next one, I'll feel never. And to be or call hit what he said. Or last year, Kakraka make sure to qualify. Finals, no one be defense. And the same thing. I'm telling you, but I don't care what he says. Otueska there are witnesses here. Opa me kwako pe bi no abetra. Ono wa oji. Ono wa muji. Na ga no make kanchana ye nyinti. E dey asem kra ni. Yenim. I say not yes and ekoye. Nipa jana sika no bottom ni echeska no. We say yan cheska bia. Ado we nefra. Na cake. E dey asem kra ni. Yen kanu kre o, yen kanu kre. Nipa ye tueska ze tueska.
We expect so be leading November 4th, Baumia.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Anything can happen.
But among the 5, why not be the best for the country?
For the country, a different matter.
87.9.
Okay. They'll be winning a different matter. They'll be best for the country, different matter.
You'll be winning.
I know, dear Mr. Because Ghana there. So what I said you'll be winning. You can't say all things being equal.
Okay, all things being equal.
Ghana had nothing is equal.
Oh my God!
Nothing is equal.
Doctor will always shock you. Ghana had nothing is equal.
Nothing is equal, yeah.
And will never be equal.
What just Busika Johnny Ako Johnny way. And yes, I'm going to defect all the time. What do I say? Yo, yeah. I buy your tunes, say.
Yeah.
So we are against
87.9 Kumasi.
Also, we are government appointee, also he. And you saw you and him, you be you free. So what I say.
Okay.
And then to say, and Yanukre, as one make a Yanukre. I free I could to see. Mom contractors to cry almost supported by me. I'm music cry and say to your mom.
Yeah, he said that.
20.
Serious allegation.
So, and until this, I buy am country, different from the next one. No, ya to abani nyina wie no. The next one, no. Say ya to, na say, wow, we winning no. Obi antimi nya ohwe. What's what I say? Sure.
Okay. Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
The friend say kra. Oh.
Subiana
MP na meka. Eugene. Who say do baby now Eugene na dey say me.
Yeah.
I say me tell so no ka French. What's that? French na sister. Hey, Asamabo. But so oko Eugene cause say primary no winner. And a bit my baby.
You call the bluff.
And no, I don't know until and until the next one is different from this one, oh, because or no winner. Asa until me and who say one drama until me
yeah.
As some no. And they are very different.
87.9 Kumasi.
A man for big churches and your mom you. When you scan it, Mam Tomano. You will see. And all my static cancer says, no, my course or mine. And your papa, I'm on some affairs, the intimate can crash the stadium. Yeka. And then my umia, 100%. Oh, north. Or no, go for you out of my other year to my young go for other unions.
Oh, but Chairman supposed to say is the greatest absurdity of a comment. So Rebecca said, Northern Fort Toma, Baumienti, Asante, so because our party no any tribal. Yes, because the time came for
87.9
on TV that. I'm very well. Yes, Asante for party, Asante for the other one thing. Mr. Won't be that. Now, Nukrobium. Pacho, Nukrobium. Yes, Nukrobium. Because I'm Asante for the majority. What do I say? Predominantly Asante for.
I can't come.
Well, yeah, I can't put Asante for. Asante for, they tend to vote for. And they almost switch it back and forth. What do I say? Cape Coast say that's what they do. No more NDC. Yeah, dear. A Joe Subakaja say, yet Timmy from our house. Until 1 year,
87.9 Kumasi.
Now then, the Casa said the enemy, dear Cosso. So there's also is on only support or supported by me. This I know can be defending. It's okay, it's all defending on. But there is a truth. 2 patches and north one, but could cry you are or poor before for them. And I miss besides and it's here around and I said, why? And you know, correct.
Serious coercion.
Oh, yes.
87.9 Kumasi.
Nipa one to my way you have to wine, wake up and call free Akotopa and Casasam.
Yeah.
It's a canon.
Before your name, Dr. Amakon Ban, former head of political science department and lecturer. Kwame Nkrumah upon more. You didn't come everything about Ghana, but now can share. When I'm share the Utie president, Okoto na be wi bisa ne say Ghana for soon say also me aware me kwa dem di kan kan ne mum the next leadership of
87.9 Kumasi.
What does it mean?
Well, what kind of cray? Just what you to say own to me yet.
Admissions own to me.
Admissions are own to me yet. So he's looking to the next leader, next person. Now, how do you know say MPP in anything? The whole point is what you have to say next person. And one where MPP or NDC, well, it doesn't matter. So now you are wholesome.
Was it a good statement from a president?
Oh, there be. A good so we can create, but yes, I know so can.
Wow.
On the time I can say president so man try the na mana no akwa can be so.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Okay, I hear the Matthias me who say hear the pa ne mom your boy home they said the rest biara e be krekram kakra na obi super wa to so bi sa. Na so obi ne baba be ye free mu dia na say what you worry. You free mu say
I don't know IMF still. I'm my scanning them. The second trench.
Oh, say basa. So what I say, you see kadino nyasam kito. And to say, nim say, is scanning in our maya. A bear basa. You say in the chest, micromanage. Said the engineer. It says almost a yamai. Almost a tray. Said the engineer. No, but they give stipulations. With your way. Omo my leeway kakra bi wom na mom fa bia 30% fatuawi na fatuawi and send the new asem anya sa na omo di nyina man ho e ba na ya sa kwa bi ko bi mu sa ko ji loan bi after the loan sa ko second IMF wow ya sa ba bi first na ever fa ncha na ma na other one na fa hwa de sanity. And they don't trust us. And rightly so. Yanyadio, Miss Ramo, Yanyadia, meant to two who say Africans now, but for them payers and some Huna Yakan. Yana and some Hunu, yet it's Uja with this canina.
Akoma FM.
Yes, canina. The woman no Uja African leaders, the baby, yes, canina. Oh, they are Koso. They see Mpeku, bien Peku. And they are Kosi, very day.
Wabokusi, let's start because I wanted a part of my last 3-4 areas to touch with. We're political scientists. I didn't from an 8 coups in the last 3 years.
I'm from Mamboni. Because you know, see, young enemy. What I say? Gabon. Uma Bongo, a trawa,
87.9.
Now I could answer.
And the bus will take over. When you stroke, Munjamasam, Munchenka come home to me.
But the people will tell us a French phone as a control.
Oh, there be
Domina a manenko.
There be Yanukra. Let me say, France for system now, one more certain. It is a computer, I say IMF for French speaking countries.
Okay.
Just say, yeah, my own spending more money than you make.
Oh, okay.
Aha. I just said France and the only woman negotiating who say will plan a good in India. Sometimes they will let you do it. And nothing of French countries want to tell me the kaka to say the ya bodam cry ya bobusia. That's what's going on.
Uniska. Don't spend what you don't have.
Unless you say why a plan be bia na munyina agree say okay we dey farmer say. In a way no France for omo colonists no papa. I have to say it. I feel no am for any abre. Na also when abre na also when abre na da na hu say mo na see where. As long as omo misa hwe nti so wonya hwe asemuni. They aginsemu. France has no credibility.
87.9.
They've lost control for now.
They lost control. But I'm sure, say, some of the French-speaking countries, they will stay. Because so what you say Guinea, Guinea was on the own, nothing to do with France. You could see saying. Obedi Kwame Nkrumah, you could see saying. Yeah, yes, you have the complete. I could see saying. As someone. So the whole guy also here me France provided a constraint. I'm omuntimi and kobobusia musica nisika kase. So and on the other countries well developed, but they still have the potential. So because okay the when you still have the potential. Now when you papa no to no boss ne kakra mo kase e kope no anu na kwa. Yeah dey. Entimi nkwa because Abrosan siyenim. Yes, Abrosan pa ne siyen. Na PhD shisha no. Anete. Ye de ne de. Another no waka. Me see that nyina sometimes me tunu another one am ope yem so wa penny.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Okay. Ope na me hu. Ndi na say me pese me ka no asem kra say.
Because wa penny.
Wa penny ontimi nya de no onim ye dada no ontimi ye. Enti munya no. So na ya na o ka se o person fulu ko twa ribbon ha ko twa net ko you see this gada bi azu twa oh why na so ye hanya na say me ye hu de ekoso so na ye ade yentimi mfesa kakra na we de bia ye se de bibi kese bi ba na sika bi na so hwan sika bi en ho There is no money. I've said there is no money 4 years ago. I said there is no money. There is no money because almost this comes the only the almost fund. Now there can also be general sense in there. Even if there's no money. No, this is a catch up with us.
The implication of Ghana. Yababe Tuaba. The next 1.5 years. We are almost there. How do we deal with Sanyama Winina? Ghana there politically say we are above coup.
Yeah, I'm so. And on our kind, I don't what page out one. And what
people says as Alice,
oh, no. Okay.
79.
Oh, no, Bonham knew a chance on an instructed. If you put them as no, what on who did it. And then yet, ya bottom my hotel near Sakon, we, yes, Auntie. At Semuda saw become. Not Jonas, I say. Next time I've never read. What I say, I hope it doesn't come, but I bet you say, don't rule it out. Say, yeah, they can't be above it. I will never assume that. Mean to me, because I don't like it, but I won't say into me, man. What I say, number 2. The SC my imui, and the SC Mudada, and my Cuba 87.9 Kumas penny passer, which is worse. Okay, what is worse?
Dr. Tilford Abeka.
I would have fun.
I did for Abeka. I did for Abeka, but Mabisa Weda. I mean, no wedding come on more can hada. What is the Ghana's solution for better economic independence?
Want me, and have independent if you don't have a good leader. That is where the problem is. Leadership, and your papa.
Akoma FM 87.9.
So, Kufo by there. But he had a unique opportunity to restart the whole country again.
And one
Oh yeah, but Uncle Ye Papa.
Okay.
By the time he left office, no, it's Uncle Bobu Sembium. It shouldn't be that way.
After Hepik,
yes, Nina, no, it shouldn't be that way. So then Atames came. Good man, bad president.
Good man,
bad president.
Wow.
He's a good man for sure. But we're a good man and just a very good president. Then Mahama came.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Nam hono na so ankoyi. E bedru chire no kra wo be wie ne term na che yem kra nkata ma so ntem na o code baby. Because ankoyi bibi anyeye. So he left like that. And ajana na say the battle is the Lord. Misrew so ko kanya mi asem sa. So the battle is the Lord. Now ni no kra. And one wabo hu dia. That's what it is. And so the battle is the Lord. They say crooked corruption. A party no more say I buy the normal thing for the party. I'll give you an example. Obiti Sasamuogu. I really like the young man.
Okay.
Respectful, truthful. Now say me to Kasa. Makasa no.
Are they?
One time I say IMF is shocked how Ghana for me improve on our economy. No, say why finance minister and I say, "O continue." O can't do anything to a woman so then come home. Na free.
I see.
Let's say obi at me can do opebia. Yes sir. Obi sorry no ka. Until you a young man now sha say no man e koso so one for one ni mu e be US nche. No so do one jim.
Akoma FM.
Yeah, more busy say more koye campaign. Mu fa sika we come grass. Ono afafa no the farm come on no ano. Who could be someone. That is what is going on. And the church say I did not be party mu ankasa say. Omo ya to about more no party officials. Omo you almost say party no say you omo dia. Omo no your officials say omo you omo dia. Omo timi ye dia omo pe. All the way to national council. Yes, and it you. You to obey national council member. And just suddenly, wako school, wako share constitution, won't say law. No. who are mrantia professors one woman also move from no kasa no mu say say ne David dey o ma be o ma dey e bi ni rules amakọ esi say aya ngonwa na esi wo no okoye say party no say yi 5 people no more than 5 candidates na me say adentia na entimenya 6 and then 7 adentia say 5 magic number na say then na 5 na ada na magic what is it nti mu ko okay so ma for 5 okay fine na mu yemra no say ko ba say mo to aba na say tai ba mu no de obi anwere ho anwere ho nti tai bi amam ti anka ho ase ana tai tai ba mu za mo to mo ba say bebre na omoto ma omo nyina no eno ne boarding dodo nti wenum kwa na betu na dia asemi sana ye election abaya de botechi no na ye do ba so tese say sikano na hia wode a na nka wo so wutie o ma so ma kan say yenya the same venue instead of going around the whole country no eno na nka wo so wutie
eno na se wo cheja kwa ni ye
kwa omo ni ye nyina ni ye nya ono kwa say omo nsam ye no na akoba ni say omo anka so onfrim omo so omo sa akotoba but kakra na omo kotoba no ebi agbateja ko ono wo any means in the national council it's anyway wo ye no that's it and nothing I want to find new set of rules why you didn't say it would do on the what's it why
what can Japan be a good president or Ghana
okay Kofi
okay yeah wrap up can Japan will he be a good president
and say
why said you to know feeling you
say the frustration into frustration.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
But as to say, obey a group president or not, I'm not in a position to say anything about any of them. I can't. The who are going to have one also who Nipano said you sit here. Obi Oha say, "Oh, she don't quite good enough for him." Obi Oha we or come you're good enough for him. Obi Oha you take it. Obi Oha patenting for. And then you know I mean to me. So. Until I know that I'll leave it to the voter to decide. And someone knew the Ekotua Bano, oh, 20 cities are Kotua movie. I cannot go now, nephew, no.
Doctor,
87.9.
Ghana Niano pay OTO or MPP or NDC. Lady Anderson can train Nama to Obama, our leaders, Ababe or main year. To Ababe the Union. Send Panano pay, and that's what man. The ordinary Ghanaian are when you're politically inclined. I can say me ko this akwa kudidi me ko empia akwa kudidi.
And the men share politics in Kwa.
Okay.
I'll say. So when you're politically inclined, I would this can be there. Men share no Kwa. During who ye. Nipa na ujina woni during who ye. Open ma on your papa. I'll tell you.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Them say, men can say obi owo yiri bebre. Na owo yiri mienu miensa. Obi o pema just one no de
hey Tony Vest me bay Tony Vest na no edo
asamuni adi asam na wo ka kire o ma fa
bebrebe sa
ho ai yes just on utunyuma na ze dey na
ma pe bebrebe boni like onye papa.
Yes.
So once a map pen keke.
Akoma FM 87.
I'm a fanboy.
I just watching it.
Not a fanboy or did you on a fanboy?
Only one chance. So who na chacha. So,
oh my God.
We are young man. I know those things are very important.
Yes. Yes.
Now we are penny and was that's how you cry.
I was wasting my time.
Oh yes. Oh. Enti janyansa ni yententem na jansa hunu na wo ye no we fan boy na wafa it's not that
doctor wunyi we fan ma o mranti bru na ye fan ma we di wo mre
o da bi na me mba so sa o ya me yansa hunu bi mo man ka na mbo
ba wa anya ni bebre sa
o ye bi pa na du ba bi na eh na dia sem kra ni
kwala so na mi di
ko se chen kwa na zo re ga de majai no
oh I see
me
doc final message to the youth
Oh, the Americans say they shouldn't give up. They shouldn't give up.
Okay.
Now, all we need is a good leader. Or junior year. Or Bekasa year. Kasa nunkwas Mrs. Sambi Pia.
Okay.
When you're a good leader, no status or Kasa pet and Kofi pay Abrofun pay attention. What's he saying? Huh? No, oh, you know. Where was here, born?
Akoma FM 87.9.
That's all it takes. I'm telling you, say if we get the right leader, they will write a lot of our debt off. I'm on fancy because you can see what's the car. Yeah, to me, yeah, no man, yeah, because who's and the mountains are there. No, no one can be. Now, their mom watching them, you know, and the betcham. It depends on who is in charge.
Dr. Amakoba, I am grateful.
I'm grateful.
Anytime I'm in your time to speak with you, I get happy because we learn a lot from you. Namisha, a bomb pie said next week, I can't be me at Twasso. Thank you very much. For La Quinta Lodge is the best place.
87.9.
Dr. Mwakobana was telling Canon. So you can the event any baby up as rest. Koko so, Koko Shahodin will be any asem 0533 844 244 na 0531 259-741. Zavo ma yamfensia Tony Best Edmo Etwaso with Akumamre. Birthday wishes kakra. Akujamai. I think that way birthday wishes bem you be oha. Quick one, let's do that. Okay.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Okay, yeah, doc, okay, yeah, that's it. Tony, check it, doc. Happy birthday to Lorenza Amponsa Mensa Brinya or Spain, Barcelona, and there. Your birthday, Daddy Daniel Mensa and Mommy Agnes Mensa Brinya, Spain, Barcelona. Happy birthday to you, baby girl. Radin Koswa in Shrao. And of course, and your birthday.
FM 87.9.
Lorenza Amponsa Mensa Brinya. You are in Spain, Barcelona. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday from Dad, Mom, and everybody. We wish you all the best. Tony Best Eddie Akumamre Thomas. Good night.